Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Appreciate each and every one of you for being here. I don't even have a shirt on. See? I'm in a white beater stream. I can't even say it. You said that? Who did they write that to? All right, I'm back. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Appreciate each and every one of you for jumping on in. Thank you for jumping on in. YouTube's having some issues today, so I'm going to keep it moving. We're going to record this. I'm going to put it up onto my video later on into the channel, so you're going to be able to see this no matter what. We're going to keep you up to date. We're going to keep you moving, and I can actually still see the chat. So let's keep it going. Still no screen. Can hear, though. If you guys can hear, ask me about the coins. I'll go through them. And just remember, I'm recording this. There's a super chat coming in. Thank you so much for the super chat. Much respect. GMI, can we check 8? I see a big cup and handle. We'll take a look at 8 for my man, Siraj Haj Ali. Thank you so much for coming on in. Had to hit the phone booth and grab this suit, right? Can't see the videos, just chat, but gave a like. Yeah, I'm getting nothing but the chat. I think some people can see it and some people can't. About a minute ago, I was able to see the feed, but then I couldn't see the feed. So it seems to come in and out, depending on what you're doing or, you know, where you are, location too. YouTube did tweet right now that they're having issues. They know they have it. They're doing everything they can. My man, Stephen McDowell, can see it. So to the lifers that can see it, you guys are so lucky. You're the few and far between. Let's jump into the charts. Let's keep it moving. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Appreciate each and every one of you for being here. Okay, and there's Odyssey. I was about to go to Odyssey and stream on Odyssey. I'm looking at Ren. Ren's looking beautiful on the 4 hour. Once Ren breaches this 38 cent region, it's gone up to 41 and then gone up to 43. So look for Ren to go up a nice 1/7 of its price from 38 to about 42. That's 5 on 38, not too shabby. I'm looking at Ren to boom. The measured move for Ren is here at, I think it is what? 58 is the measured move for Ren at 58. So Ren, waiting for that 4 hour to get on up. 1 hour's a little high, but waiting for that 4 hour to get on up. This thing is looking tight, and it did breach its trend line. Look at that. It broke out for sure and got a candle to close in the 4 hour outside of the trend. I like what I'm looking at for Ren. So I just wanted to put Ren on the radar right when I started. Let's take a look at the elephant in the room, bitty Bitcoin. Let's see what's going down. And the Dow futures, which Dow's already open right now, but the Dow, what is the Dow doing? The Dow down 185 points today, but Bitcoin is down 0.2%. The Dow is down 0.5%. So about the same, correlated yet again, 42,250. What do I see happening for Bitcoin today? Let's break it down. Well, we were low on the 1 hour, but we started to push up. This 1 hour needs to keep going. If we don't break this resistance and the 1 hour curves, it means the bears won and we couldn't break through that. And we're going to continue maybe to the downside. Let me open this up. We could say maybe we didn't break out. Maybe we're just still inside this downward channel and we're stuck off this diagonal resistance. So the Dow trying to break above this zone. Cannot seem to break above it. Trying to break above this zone here at 42,345. I'll call it 42,500. We need to see a candle close above 42,500 later on by basically by 2-3 o'clock in the afternoon. The Dow, the 1 hour still has room to move, and the 4 hour is precariously doing a bit of a curve, like it wants to curve to the upside. The daily is doing that as well. Both of them are doing this funny little curve showing signs of life, so they're showing some life here. On the 1 hour, I call this a rising, broadening wedge. It looks like a bullish megaphone, right? A bullish megaphone. You can see we bounced, came up, made the higher low though. And look, higher low, 3 higher lows in a row, and we've been making higher lows ever since down here. Look at this low. I mean, this has been an uptrend for sure. That's a clean uptrend. Low, higher low, higher low, higher low. We're on, baby. We're on. We're on, baby. We're on. We're back, baby. We're back. I see myself in the flesh. I see myself in the flesh. Oop, now it's gone. Comes in and out, apparently. If you can't see the lifer, you need more Bitcoin, right? I'm trying on two cons. Well, this is weak. I'm getting a million ads, though. Funny. Super lucky I can see this morning. Glad we're all here. Grace Protocol. The lucky people get to see the live. It's so funny. Now you realize how much you love my live, right? What do they always say, you love someone until they're gone. And then when they're gone, you're like, wow, like you don't realize how much you love someone until they're gone, right? You know how much you love the lifer till he's gone, baby, till he's gone. What if they took us all off and you couldn't learn? Crazy, right? And this is affecting all of Bitcoin because people can't see what's going down. They're getting stressed. So I see Bitcoin in this flag until it's not. Look, up, down, up, down, up. Come back down a little bit here on the 15-minute. Come back down. Oh, 15 minutes actually flipping for you too. Signs of life on Bitcoin. Look at this. Look at this. This is a falling wedge that's breaking to the upside on the 15-minute, and it's just getting started. I'm long Bitcoin, just so everybody knows. I'm longing this to the upside. I like what I see in the 4 hour. I like what I see in the daily, and I like what I see on the 1 hour and the 15-minute. So I'm ready to rock. We're seeing a flip on all and momentum. Also, Sammy Cup and Hattie to the upside. Sammy Cup and Hattie. That's a Sammy Cup and Hattie to the upside if I've ever seen one. So another cup and handle. Measured move for that is 44,868. We're on our way, everybody. We're on our way. Shout out to everyone here on the live. Appreciate each and every one of you for jumping on into the live stream. Thank you. Thank you for sharing your most precious asset with me, and that is your time. Woke up feeling absolutely great today. Babe, can I get some water? With all this, I forgot my lemon water. With all the craziness going on. I didn't even get dressed. I showed up in a white undershirt. Can't say what I used to say, in a white undershirt. Okay? And that's what everyone said. It wasn't what I said. It was what everyone said as a kid. I didn't know. You know? So let's look at Total DeFi. This is all of DeFi. And look at it. It's doing damage. It is broken out. It is doing damage. Damage cheese. we're going to come out with a cheese called demolished cheese. It's going to be the best cheese you ever had in your life. A little bit of like cranberry, maybe a little bit of a wine taste, like a little, you know, like a little, like maybe a little, you know, even though I'm not into alcohol, but we have a little wine taste, like a Pinot Noir mixed into the cranberry, you know, like a little demolished cheese. You know what I'm saying? So this is this is like an ETF basically of all of DeFi. It's got Aave, Sushi, you know, Luna, all the big earners. This is a cup and handle too. This suggests that we're going to boom. DeFi, it wants to boom. People can't get money anywhere else. They're going to use DeFi, right? I mean, you can't get paid in the regular market. You're going to find another financial tool, which is cryptocurrency and decentralized finance. The regular banking system, lackluster. They didn't make enough products for the people. They were ripping us off to the point of no return. So a bunch of smart guys said, hey, I'm going to program our way out of this. I'm going to program something completely different. Thank you. You dead serious? Yeah. That's disrespectful. So, look, shoulder, head, and the shoulder here, inverted head and shoulder too as well. Even though we're high on the daily, I'll tell you what, every once in a while, the daily will be high and you'll go parabolic. Like right here, you have a little pullback, but that's when you just started ripping. Right here, you were high, just a little mini pullback, and you kept moving. Little pullback, and you could fly. So don't be scared. Don't be worried. Look, we even came back to the 618 Fibonacci level, the 706, when I pulled from here to here, 706 Fib. How crazy is that? I mean, all parameters play out with the Fibonacci. So I'm bullish on Bitcoin for the day. You can see that I'm bullish on Bitcoin for the day. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. We're banging on them. You know, you think there'd be more people here because we're one of the streams that got to move when other streams didn't. We made it, baby. We made it. Is everybody here? Can everybody see it? Wham, bam. Thank you, Sam. Shout out to Wayne Mustafa. Weird YouTube issue. Had to click all over to find the right link to the stream. Wigwam. Tony Soos just joined the Patreon. Dude, everyone who has to click along, you guys are funny. I post a link every day to the World Trading Group, which is free to join. Anyone who says they have to click around for YouTube, come on. Pay attention, man. You know, this is hard love. I love you, but I got to call you out. Like, I post a link every single day into the World Trading Group. You do not have to look for the link. Just join my World Trading Group. It's free. 3,947 members. It's free. And then if you want to pay $99, I post it in every single room when I send my live stream out. Every single room has the link. Okay? Wow, a lot got posted since I posted that. Jeez Louise. You guys are animals. My gosh. And the likes and the viewers, we had 172, now it's 135. It's going up or down. I'm not tripping on it. You know. Who's crying? Shout out to Rodney Robinson, my man. Appreciate you for coming on it. I appreciate the high standard, sober and clean. Shout out to Fingbook, my man. Love the jacket. Shout out to Randy Abraham. Thank you, Randy. Appreciate you, brother. Issues with YouTube. Yeah, YouTube's been up and down, my friend. But we aren't. We're here consistent every single day without a day off, baby. Knocking on them, banging on them. Show number 419 without a day off. Consecutive 419 days without a day off on the live stream. 419 days without a day off on the live stream. Appreciate each and every one of you for jumping on in and being a part of the live with me. EGLD Mafia in the house. Shout out to Harvey Kaplan, my man. Harvey Kaplan. Shout out to Harvey Kaplan, my man. Appreciate you, Harvey. You're going to do my life epitaph. You're going to do the, I want you to do the voice to my autobiography. Lifer was an amazing man. No, because Harvey's got this awesome voice, man. So one thing I loved about it when you join the group, I'm like, man. 419 tomorrow, we celebrate Pocket Square looking fresh. Thank you, my friend. Thank you, my friendo. My friendolito. Oh, wait. Yep, there it is. And it matches the shirt. I got the maroon with the maroon. Almost the exact color, too. You know? I showed my patrons what I was wearing, what I was going to wear last night. I had it out, ready to go. Behind the scenes. What do you guys think of behind the scenes? Every night I should put out the outfit for the night for the next day, you know? Why not? If DXY bounces, will Bitcoin go down? Even so, that money going to the altcoins. Nobody represents like you. Shout out to ACPR, my man. Best education ever in cryptocurrency. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Appreciate each and every one of you for rocking out with me. You can, you will, you are the best. If you were on drugs, if you were down and out, if you're trying to get clean, you can get clean. Trust me, you can do it. Okay? You can change your life. All right? You can. You can and you will change your life, okay? Trust me, you can and will change your life. I also dealt with issues in my life, ups and downs. It wasn't always this easy for me to be this disciplined, this put together, right? So if I can get here, you can get here, okay? If I can get here, anybody can get here. I was out of my mind, undisciplined, crazed, ADHD, you know what I'm saying? Like, you name it. Like, I did it all. Woke up I don't even want to talk about it, but I've been there. Trust me, I've been there. Central bookings, you name it. I've been to the lows of the lows, okay? The bar rooms, the nonsense, the rooms, even the rooms. If you know what the rooms are, I've been in the rooms. So I've been there. This too shall pass. That's how you know I've been there. This too shall pass, okay? If I can do it, you can do it, all right? 5 years clean in May, not even greens or a beer in 5 years. David, my man, 5 years, my man. I love to hear that. 5 years clean, my dude. 10 years this year, celebrating for Derek, my man. Unbelievable. Central bookings, baby. Ugh, I don't want to go back there again. A nice 22 hours in there will clean you up for a moment. You'll never want to go back in. You feel like you're never leaving. You're like, am I ever going to get out of here? You know? Central B. So I'll go over Bitcoin. We already went over it, but I'll go over it again because I don't know how many people were actually watching the live. 151 people watching the live. Can we get the likes up to the watchers? I would greatly appreciate it. I have no idea what's going on with the YouTube streaming today, but, you know, we're just trucking along, doing our thing. I have this recorded just in case, and, you know, if it has to be put up somewhere else, it will be put up on another channel, okay? I have a backup channel as well. We'll get that going. I also am on Odyssey. Check me out on Odyssey, all right? Well, you can back up your entire YouTube channel. I went over this flag. I like this flag. 1 hour has momentum. I like what we're doing. 15 minutes just flipped. I like that as well. 4 hour flipped, and the daily still has this rounded kind of push-up. All these are suggestions that we will see a little more upside for Bitcoin. However, right now the daily does not want to make a candle go above 42,000, about 400. So we need to get above that. We wicked really high to 43K, but we've been sold down so far. This is the 3-day chart. We're getting a little extended on the 3-day. 3 days is saying that we're spent, okay? So that's something to watch for sure. The daily is a little high too as well, but it's getting the flip. So I know there's other time frames, but right now we got to look at the smallest ones because they're the ones that are going to play out the fastest. So I'm playing this 1 hour to the upside. 42K has been holding for a good long time now, right? We held it here. We got below. Once we broke above it, that's resistance and support. Previous resistance here, little resistance there, becomes new support. We bounced off that support region. I like what I'm seeing for Bitcoin. Shout out to the super chats. Shout out to everyone here on the live. Appreciate each and every one of you for showing up and showing down. Love y'all. Love y'all. Look at that chat flying. Smash the likes. Look at the chat. Out of control. Mira, please. My man. My man. Wow. Issues with YouTube. Yep. Love the jacket. Thank you. Appreciate that. Alfani, I think it was. Not too expensive. What we see in that crazy... When are we going to see that crazy hair again? Fun. I thought about that this morning. Probably not for a long time. I got a haircut. YouTube had problems all over the place. Yes, it did. Nice work, David Kendall. That dream where you were in class, nothing but your underwear just became real for the lifer. You're funny. Oh, yeah, I forgot. Some people are seeing the beginning of the stream. So some people can still see the beginning of the stream. That dream was nasty. Jesus. Shout out to everyone here on the live. Appreciate each and every one of you for being here. What a funny day. What a funny day. What a strange day to be alive. YouTube, huh? So I see this cup and handle for Bitcoin, and the measured move is 44,800. That's what the TA suggests. Let's stick to the TA. 68% chance that that's what we're going to see. There you go. Emergency at work. Speak to you later in the group. Shout out to Rainer. My man, thank you for coming here. Appreciate you. Be safe, my man. What do you do for work? I'd love to know. Crypto Kid, best TA on YouTube, the Crypto Kid, for the $2 super chat. Love you, Crypto Kid. Thank you so much, man. Appreciate you and your dad and your whole family. Love to you and yours. Looking sharp as usual. Thank you for keeping that energy prime. Anytime, my friend, anytime. My energy ain't going anywhere. Sammy, you never stop being you. The real ones will be drawn to you. East Jordan, I love you, baby. I love you, baby. Thank you. Thank you. Lifer is Satoshi. I have my ways. I may have made Bitcoin, but, you know, you'll never know. You'll never know. I'll never reveal how I did it. He's an app developer. API. Oh, he is an app developer. All right, we need to get him in the zone then. That's good to know. Thanks, man. I wouldn't change my past for the world because it made me who I am today. Every time, David, every time. Now you're a rock-solid Aries ready to rock the world, baby. Thank you for joining me. I appreciate the good people for coming into my live stream and deciding, or our live stream, and deciding to be a part of the Lifer crew. I got some of the best energy in the world. You know, the other day I was thinking about the views and all that, and I said, you know what? It doesn't matter. The Brady of TA, my man. Wow, that's the Brady of TA? Whoa, 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 whoa. I'm taking that. I'm taking that. I'm taking that. You're going to make me cry, bro. You're going to make me cry saying stuff like that. I'm dead serious. I know, because, like, I just, like, wow, man. The Brady of TA. That's the nicest thing anyone's ever said to me, comparing me to Tom Brady. Damn, man. You really gonna make me cry, bro. Don't do that. We're here, so happy to be here with you, Sam, man. Rodney, I love you, man. I love you, Rodney. You're gonna get this, man. Just keep buying a little bit of BTC every couple of days, man. That's what I do every single day. I'm not a financial advisor. Nothing I do and say should be taken as financial advice. I keep buying a little bit of Bitcoin every single day, every other day, every week. Just a little more. Just a little more, baby. Just a little bit more. I just realized that my Stokes are being hidden. I almost want to kind of, let me shrink this down. This doesn't need to be that big. It just needs to be there. I can't have the Stokes hidden. Let's move the Stokes to the, I'm going to move the Stokes up. Because they're like what I look at all the time. MACD could be down. We kind of half look at the MACD. We look at the RSI more than the MACD. All right. Good morning, Render looking prime. Sammy Cup and Handy imminent. Thoughts? You and the energy of the channel are second to none. Shout out to Cryptosaurus Rex, man. People love the energy. People love to vibrate at a high level. Nobody wants to be on the low. Nobody wants to feel down. Nobody wants to be around somebody that doesn't bring it all the way, baby. And every single day we bring it here on this channel. Every single day. Rock solid, baby. Rock solid. I'm so happy to be alive. I'm so happy to live out my dreams. And today is the weekly screen share, everybody. Today is the weekly screen share. If you join my trading group, you can be alone with me from 6 to 8 and see everything that's going on in this crazy brain of mine. You can also have access to my Token Metrics account, which is $85 a month. Blow your mind. Super Chat, Ape, Mirror, Render looking prime, Cub and Handy looking imminent. Let's take a look at ApeCoin, baby. ApeCoin. So you see where I'm at with Bitcoin. And that kind of controls the whole market. I'm bullish on Bitcoin for the foreseeable few hours. Let's see what we do. I'd like to see us get above this level. If we can't, there would be more downside. So bulls need to break above 42,250. I say 42,500 to avoid more downside. Or we're going to see something happen, right? Cup and handle looking nice. We got really good support here at 42K, 41,800. So let's see what happens for bitty Bitcoin. Shout out to everyone here on the live. Appreciate each and every one of you for being here. Thank you for jumping in on this crazy day. YouTube will get it together. Everything will be all well. Will be well, and I will, just keep the positive mindset. How do you access weekly screen share tonight if a Patreon member? I will post a link. I will post a link at the end of the screen share into the exclusive crew. All you need to do, you could download Start Meeting, but it's going to be on an app called Start Meeting, and you're going to be able to access it through a link on your browser. Nice and easy. It's going to be on Start Meeting. Start Meeting. Start Meeting. Yeah. Harvey Kaplan, Mark Wahlberg impression doing TA on EGLD, please. Oh, man. All right. Hold up. In order to do that, I got to listen to Mark Wahlberg for a second so I can, hear his Mark Wahlberg, because then I'll nail it. So I got to listen to Mark Wahlberg for a split second. Music down for just a second here. I just got to listen to Mark Wahlberg. I forget sometimes. I just got to hear what he says. Let me hear him out. And I'm muting it so you guys can't hear it. Oh, actually, wait, maybe. Oh, no. Yeah, I won't. Wait, maybe. All right. Let's do the EGLD in a Mark Wahlberg impression. Is Bitcoin pop 42,300? We need that 42,500. Super chat 8 mirror render EGLD in a Mark Wahlberg impression. Let's take a look at EGLD. All right, so today we're gonna look at EGLD, everybody. All right, it's EGLD, babe. All right, you know, I went to the gym and I looked at EGLD. It's gonna be okay, babe. It's gonna be okay. I gotta hear him out one more time. I'm like nailing it, but I'm forgetting it. I gotta hear his voice. If I don't hear his voice, tough for me. I gotta hear his voice for a split second, and then I can replicate. Right? Hold on. It's just been such a long time since I heard Mark Wahlberg's voice. But I got this. Stay with me. Look, I can do a Peter impression while we're waiting, all right? This is Peter from Family Guy. Ready? Hey, Lois, I think I'm going to grow a beard. Hey, Chris, get in your room. If you don't get in your room, I'm going to put my foot up your... Hey, everybody, let's jump in the car and leave Meg at the gas station. Hey, Lois, I think I'm going to grow a beard. I love going to Quahog. Quahog Bar, Quahog Beer, everything Rhode Island. My name's Peter Griffin. Hey, Lois, I think I'm going to grow a beard. Oh, man. And we could do impressions all day long, right? I could do impressions all day long. Hold up. Let's get a Mark Wahlberg impression here. Oh, here's a dark story about Mark Wahlberg. The dark story. He threw like oil in an Asian man's eye and blinded him, like, or bleach or something. He did something crazy.
Throwing rocks while chanting.
Have a pardon here to be able to work more closely with local law enforcement helping at-risk kids.
Critics felt that his attempt to wipe the slate clean showed a lack of ownership over his past acts of hatred.
I need him talking. This is killing the stream, but it's been a crazy day anyway. So here we go.
Mark Wahlberg, we're going to talk about what's real Boston slang. Hoodsy. Now, a hoodsy is a couple of things. So hoodsy could be a little ice cream that you use the top to...
All right. So going over HLD here, like Mark Wahlberg. So Javi, I'm losing it. I'm not just like I got put on the spot. EGLD, man, because I got to do the lifer voice, man. It's hard for me to do TA without the lifer voice, you know. So we're seeing here, you know, right here we had a little bit of rejection, Javi. We got a rejection here, Javi, and you know I think we could get higher. I think we can really get a little higher here. You know, we hit it twice. We came back down. It's okay. We can still get there. We can still get to the top. Okay, it's not gonna be that bad. Don't worry about it. We can get there, honey. You know, look, we got to a high. We got rejected by 193. 185 ain't bad. 185, bit of a double bottom there, and we got low stochastics. I believe we can get all the way up to the target, babe. 193. There's no reason why we can't get there. There's no reason why we still can't get there. You know. That's funny. Look at this. So EGLD, I see EGLD continuing to pump. They're creating that meta bonding, meta staking. A lot of people are staking it, and they're not selling it. So EGLD is creating such a strong staking program that when people jump in, they don't want to jump on out. And that's pumping the price. People are jumping in, and they're just keeping it going. They don't want to stop. So EGLD, creating a very, very smart staking program, jumped on in. You know, the hollow ride created a frenzy. People sold it off. That kind of what happened, and then Bitcoin falling off kind of created, you know. But EGLD, baby, EGLD, as long as it holds this level here above 180, I see it going up even more to the upside. Let it see it hit this target here at 197, that 200 psychological resistance. It's going to play around this area for a while, and then you're going to see it get above there. But EGLD, looking pretty nice to the upside. It's going to get there, Javi. Don't worry about it. This is Mark Wahlberg, Javi. Everything's going to be fine. We're going to take it to the top. Hey, everybody. My name's Peter Griffin, and I want you to go and watch the Crypto Lifer every single day on YouTube. Super chat, Ape, Mirror, Render, look prime, cup and handle, looking imminent. Thoughts on CHMB Valley? Let's take a look at CHMB Valley as well. Super chat, Ape. Let's jump into Ape. Rodman was Rodman before going to the Bulls. Rodman's my favorite player in the NBA. I love Dennis Rodman with all my heart and soul. Greatest dude on earth. Like I connect with that man on so many levels. Like I am very similar to him in many ways. Misunderstood. No one could figure me out. But I gave my heart and soul to everything I did, and I was connected to people that went all in. And I absolutely nailed it, bro. Thanks, Harvey, man. Jordan, we will have to agree to disagree. Don't ask Sam about this one. Oh, man, what is he asking about? I'm not going to argue ball with people that don't know. Michael Jordan was the greatest player ever. There was nobody better even close to Michael Jordan, hands down. Hands down. If you even think anyone was even somewhat close to Michael Jordan, you have to get your head checked. Like, not even close, right? Kobe Bryant was not even close to as good as Michael Jordan. I'm sorry. Not even close, all right? If you watch Michael Jordan close, but, you know, RIP to Kobe Bryant, I don't want to say anything. He was one of the greatest people on earth. Like, he worked so hard. His ethic, everything about him was amazing. But there's nobody better than Michael Jordan, hands down. Like, never. I grew up, all right? I don't know how old you are. I'm 39 years old. I saw that man on TV. 1996, 1997, 96, 97, he beat them with his last shot. Yo, get out of here, man. Get out of here. I used to have the poster of Rodman parallel to the floor going up after a loose ball. Dennis Rodman is the greatest rebounder on earth ever in the history of rebounding. Like, he is also one of the greatest human beings on earth. I absolutely love Dennis Rodman with all my heart. Like, if anyone knows him, reach out to him. Let him know the crypto lifer thinks he's unbelievable. Actually, my buddy actually kind of half knows him in LA. I think they went to some meetings together. You know what I'm saying? You got my twins rolling on the way to school with that voice. EGLD, pump. That's so funny, man. I can make the kids laugh. That's so funny. Jordan, GOAT, no argument. Yeah. Super chat. Hey, that's not even an argument. You can't even argue about that. I see EGLD breaking out of this falling wedge to the upside. It's already starting. Look, this is a bit of a cup and handle. That's your little cup with a handle to the upside there. EGLD continuing its move, and it's low on the 1 hour. And you know I'm a long-term holder of this. I absolutely love my EGLD. Got in at $20. I'm up a 9x right now. That's how you 9x your money, okay, in over a year, in a couple months. Yeah, it took a year and some months to 9x, but again, 100xing takes about 18 months to 2 years. It's not easy to 100x. I met him his second year in the pros. Didn't want to give me an autograph. He was so funny, man. Rodman and the other bad boys beat Jordan early. You guys are funny, man. Come on, man. Michael Jordan, man, don't even go there. Don't even go there, especially with me. Don't go there with me. I looked up to Michael Jordan, Troy Aikman, you know, Joe Montana. These are the people that I love growing up. These are the people that I love. Let's take a look at the next super chat here. ApeCoin. I want to look at ApeCoin because ApeCoin's been hot and it's been pushing up. And, you know, I tell you what, man, ApeCoin at 1279, 1280, banging on them. And look, I have ApeCoin right here, pushing up to the upside in this cup and handle. Look, inverted head and shoulder with the measured move up here. Do you listen to the lifer or do you play yourself? You know what I'm saying? No, do you listen to my voice? Soothing at night. That's what I'm saying. But look, ApeCoin pumping as we speak right now to the upside. Bang, bang, bang. Also, if you know how to, look, we could delete all this, but look, this is my call, ApeCoin bushing up. We had it at hello, baby. We had this falling wedge breaking up. We nailed it. Like, we nailed it. This is a cup and handle. If you didn't know, let me show you. Sammy Cup and Handy to the upside. They call me Sammy Cup and Handy because I'm the one trader on YouTube that draws a cup and handle or two on every single live stream. Probably 5 or 6 or 7 or 8, maybe 10 or 12. But more than 1 or 2, but you never know. Also, this is just a freaking bull pennant. Bull pennants break up 68% of the time. I draw me a bull pennant and I get sins. It's simple. My trading style is very simple. Like, a lot of people make it really complex. Wait for the price action to touch the 21-day moving average. Wait for the RSI to do a flip or be in a bullish pattern. Look, the RSI also was in a bull pennant. See this? See how you can put the RSI in a bull pennant? Beautiful. MACD was getting a bullish cross. Lack of bearish momentum. That hill was very small. That told you that the bears were just not around, and the stochastics were pointing up to the upside. Slight falling price with falling volume. Told you were going to have a reversal. I teach this every single day. The beginner's course was amazingly lit yesterday. So many people. I think we had 17 people in the beginner's course. Lit. I'm talking lit, baby, lit. And there you have it, ApeCoin booming on them. Wanted to do damage. We got into ApeCoin down at $7 on the live stream, if you can remember that. I bought it at 7 beans on the live. Down here somewhere when it was on KuCoin, you know? It did its pump and run up. We believe this thing is going to continue to the upside. Let's take a look at the measured move of the cup and handy. Measured move of the cup and handy for ApeCoin. Look at this. Would you look at this? Would you look at that, Scotty? All the way to 1629 for ApeCoin. Bang, bang, thank you. Look at that. And the measured move is 1628 out of the cup and handle. Yes, it was amazing. Thank you. Wendy Fraze, thank you for jumping on in, Wendy. I had a blast with all of you. A lot of good questions. We went for 3 hours. It was intense. We nailed it, though. It was awesome. It was unbelievable. Shout out to everyone here on the live. Appreciate each and every one of you for being here. Not going to complain about the likes of the viewers today. I don't know what's going on with YouTube. I'm just going to do my thing. Thoughts on Glimmer, please. Send in a super chat. Jalvin Patel. That's the proper thing to do. Sam Adams, Summer Slay Cup and Hetty. Sam Adams, Summer Slay Cup and Hetty. You're the man, dude. Let's take a look at Mirror and Render looking prime and CMB. Thank you, Grace Protocol, for keeping them neat, keeping them coming at me. Appreciate the super chats coming in today. $13.86 on the super chats. Much appreciated to you and yours. You're a beast. You so over deliver. Thank you so much, Wendy. That's what I want to hear. Look, you over deliver. That's what I want to hear. That's what I want to hear from the people that pay for my courses. We over deliver here. That's what it is. Over delivering. Just give you more than you paid for. Give you more than you thought you could get. Just keep it in moving. I couldn't find your live at first. Then if you can't find my live, what you need to do right now is go to the bottom of my video. Go to the bottom of my video. Join the World Trading Group, which is free. Join the World Trading Group. Telegram right here, Crypto Lifer Trading. Join the World Trading Group for free. I post a link there every morning between 8:30 and 10 o'clock. Then you won't have to look for the link ever again. Don't you wait on YouTube. Don't wait on anything else. I give you everything you need. Go to Telegram, hit this link, and I post it in there every day. No one should say they don't know where to find the link. Lifer for life. Shout out to Sneaky Pete, Vaporizer, my man. My man. Once I saw you come through, you've been coming through every time. I saw you on another live stream too. I was on a live stream and you popped in with a super chat as well. I think it was ORE or something. Sneaky Pete, man. Oh no, I saw you on the BitBoy, man. Showing love, dude. I see everybody who shows love. I appreciate you. Delivery on Rod status. Thank you. Sam, you are not only moving forward, but man, you are slowly taking over the crypto space. Soon, BitBoy will ask to come on your stream. You're funny, man. Thank you, man. I appreciate you. Hey, one day at a time, baby. One day at a time. The cleanest man in show business, baby. The cleanest man in show business. A little bit of a pullback there for ApeCoin. Probably got high on the 15-minute or the 7. Yep. 15-minute got high on the stochastics. You're going to get a little bit of a pullback there when that occurs. However, that is a clean breakout. Hands down, clean breakout. And we even broke this resistance. Look for a bounce here off a retest. So look for the retest off of this zone, maybe one of these two zones, in a bounce. They do not love. Why do not show their love? Liberty and trust. Why do not show their love? Yes, you're the man, buddy. Your energy is infectious. Thank you, buddy. Thank you. Every single day, baby. Every single day. I can't send super chats down here in Brazil. It's frustrating. It's frustrating. I owe you a few when I get back to Florida next week. Shout out to Bill McDonough. No worries, brother. No worries, man. You don't owe me anything but the love, baby. You don't owe me anything but the love. Appreciate y'all. Thumbs up. Check in Loop Ring. LRC. Yeah, my dad director is in crypto. I will show him you and see if he can get you a shout out. My dad director is into crypto. I'll show him you and see if he can give you a shout out. Thank you, man. Appreciate you. My dad director is into crypto. I don't know what that means. The guy's name's dad director. How is the eye? Eye's all right. Although when I went to brush my teeth this morning, I flipped the toothpaste and it went right in my eye. And I thought I was going to have a red eye for a while. Luckily, it's okay. But, you know. My dad's director. What is that? What is my dad's? Is that a YouTube channel? My dad's director? What is that? My dad's director. What is my dad's director? I have no idea what this dude's saying. He's a movie director. Yeah, let him know, dude. East Jordan on one show. Yo, see if you can get me on into the film business. I've been trying to break into the film business for a long time. Look at this, dude. Look what Ape just did. Holy but Jesus. Holy but Jesus. Woo! 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 Is that for real? Dude. Woo! It just broke resistance, baby. And we gone. And we gone. Shout out to my Ape friends. We going Ape, baby. We going Ape deep. Ape deep is the new one. Like, used to go knee deep. I'm going in knee deep. I'm going in Ape deep. I'm going in Ape deep, baby. Wow, ape blasting on them to the upside. Look at this. Blasting on them to the upside, banging on them. Ape. Wow! Now look for it to retest. If you don't chase these candles, go to the 5-minute. Wait for a flag to come and touch the 21-day moving average. That's what's going to happen. So here, we don't know if it's going to be here. We don't know where the flag's going to start. Somewhere around here, we're going to see a flag, and it's going to have to touch the 21. But this thing is flying to the outside. Ape coin, baby. Shout out to all my buddies at Ape. And we were talking about Ape. We've been playing Ape. Shout out to the $100 super chat from Michael Atkinson. $100 super chat. I don't know if you know about the town of Atkinson, Mass. Beautiful town. I don't know if you're related to the guy that started that town. I was there not too recently. They have a beautiful country club out there. Shout out to my buddies. Ray. Shout out to Ray. Love you, Ray, if you're out there listening. Currently, a few things playing on Netflix. Some things in select theaters and a show on a city TV. Yo, let them know. I would love to get into a movie. Like, I would really love to get into a movie, bro. No lie, with all my heart and soul. Show, I got all the, I can do voices, and I acted. I actually have a real resume. I was at IMDb. Dude, I would love to get in even a smallest role. I just didn't want to go through the whole, like, audition thing. I just want to know somebody. They look at my face, they're like, yeah, that's the look we want. Bang, bang, bang. Let your dad know, dude. I really, really want to break into TV and film a little bit. Just a little bit. 1311, dude. Ape is just taking names and kicking butt. Ape coin. Woo! Ape banging on them. And, you know, I was in at $7, almost 100% on Ape, baby. I bought this for $7 on the live stream, live in front of everybody. Live. There's another live call that I bought in front of everyone, banging on them. Again, I'm not a financial advisor. Nothing I do and say should be taken as financial advice. But ApeCoin, wow. Like, unreal, huh? Unbelievable. That's what I was saying in the class that I had just thought about your acting background. Dude, that'd be so cool if you hooked me up and I got like a role in something through your dad. That would be unbelievable. Hey, I'm motivated. I'm ready to go. I'll show up on time and I won't ruin the set. I'll know my lines and you know I'm gonna do a great job. I've been on set before many, many times. I've been a cameraman. I've been a DP. I was a director of photography for many years. I handled the lighting, everything, where the people were, choreographies. I did it all. I can handle all that. So let me know, man. I would love to do something like that. That would be amazing. You would make my dreams come true. Literally, like you would make my dreams come true. It would be insane. Like my wife would probably cry. You know. Okay. I see some questions in the chat. Shout out to the $100 super chat. That's unreal. Let's take a look at Mirror Protocol. And we got a bunch of super chats coming in too. This is the best channel on YouTube. Shout out to Roddy Robinson in the game. Love you, Roddy. Double R. Also, we talked about R. Privacy coin. We put it on your radar when it first started coming out. R, baby. And R banging on them to the upside on KuCoin. Look at it. Back to 208. We looked at this when it was back down at what? $1 bean. We first looked at this back at $1 bean. Look at this. We were getting into R right here. 80 cents. Look at that. And we even called this pump up to the upside here. 57% gains out of this channel. R. 57% gains for R. Banging on them today. We talked about R. We went over R. It was a setup that looked nice. Banging on them to the upside. R just doing damage. Look at that thing. Privacy coin just getting legs. We had it at 80 cents. It's already up 150% at $2. Again, could have been you if you were a lifer. You never know. You never know. Which way do you want to go? You know? Let's take a look at the Dow Jones Industrial. What's happening with the Dow? Are we decoupling? What do we see happening? Down 250 points. This is what I said here. You know, the daily got high, and I put this bar up here, and look, rejection, rejection, rejection. Could be a nasty couple of days for the Dow if this daily doesn't get above this zone. So look, we're kind of at this level here. We're making a flag. So we're at a standstill. We're making a flag here on the daily. See this? The Dow kind of has to stay in this flag and respect this zone. If the Dow breaks this, it's going to head back down to the bottom of the channel. That's going to be bloody for the stock market. Maybe we decouple, but right now we haven't. So I have to say that would be bloody for Bitcoin until we see a decoupling, right? So just to watch this, let's hope that we only hit a low right there. I don't want to see the Dow lower than 36,600. I would like to see it never break 34K again. However, I just want to caution you that daily's pushing to the downside. I do have the measured move out of this rising wedge all the way back here to 29,900. All right. We take a look at the weekly for the Dow, though, as I showed you before, which is a big time frame you want to focus on. And the Dow weekly, look, the Stokes are just turning up. It's a really good thing. I like what I'm seeing with the Dow weekly. All right. Not too shabby for the Dow on the weekly. All right. Not too shabby at all. So, says we should get a reversal and we should start reversing like we did there. So let's hope that we never go below. Let's actually think it's this and we broke out. Not too shabby. If we take the weekly broke out. So, and we can't say that we're in the bigger channel. All right. So I'm going to take this weekly call and I'm going to say, hey, this is it. So we can hit this or this. I just don't want to see us break back into the pattern, but this is a rising wedge that could break up to the upside for the Dow Jones. The weekly looks good. We're going to have to get through the daily, but the weekly looks good. All right. Nice 3% candle on Sol. Man, I picked XYO instead of 8. Story of my life. Just be patient, my friend. I had a problem panic selling, and you taught me to stay strong. Thank you, Lifer. Shout out to ASPR, man. You can't panic sell, my dude. You know, you cared too much about your money. All you cared about was money. You were super greedy about money. When you care about energy, life, movement, vibration, the money comes to you so easily. Money is just a form of vibration. The people that vibrate the highest get the most money. That's what it is. How do you vibrate the highest? You work out. You stay away from drugs and alcohol. You stay clean. You stay motivated, right? You keep good people around you, right? When you're not drinking all the time and you're not doing drugs, then your friends are clean. And your friends have higher aspirations. And your friends are determined people. You got to get clean, though. I have to put that out there. You got to get clean. If you're struggling right now with drugs or alcohol, you know, we are a trading group. We can get you mentally set up, but you do need some help. You know, 12 steps, whatever you can do to get yourself situated. You need a sponsor. You need some help. Trust me. Going it alone is going to be very, very difficult. Trust me. You need a sponsor. The second you don't think you need a sponsor, you're going to end up right back in the same place. Just like people need a mentor when they're doing trading. You need a sponsor if you're going to get clean. All right. If I'm talking to you, if you're hearing me and it sounds like I'm talking to you, try to do the right thing today. Make today the day you walk into one of those rooms and say, hey, I'm defeated. I'm beat. I need help. Someone will help you. Someone will come to your aid. All right? You don't have to listen to everything they say, and you don't have to use every single thing they do, but you need a place to start, and you need a place to get people, good, positive people around you that are clean. All right? I know some people out there are feeling what I'm saying, and just to know I love you, and I know you can change your life. I changed my life. You can change your life. You can. It's going to be very hard. Some days seem so desperate. They seem like nothing is ever going to give. I used to be in a room, and it was the same day over and over again, and I used to ask myself, when is this day going to end? When am I going to get out of this? When am I going to be motivated? And then I would just do the same thing again and fall asleep, do nothing, and I'm like, man, I'm never going to get anywhere in life if I don't just change what I'm doing. You need to be the change. So I know exactly what it's like to feel like you're stuck. Trust me, I was stuck for years, and I had such an imagination, and I knew I didn't need to be stuck. So I was frustrated as a person, and it really wasn't fun. And now that I get to live my life and be free and not have a boss and just, you know, go wherever I want, do whatever I like, spend whatever I want, just have fun, man, I'll tell you what. I look back on those years when I was struggling and I ask myself, why was I making it so hard on myself? And also, we're hard on ourselves. Like, you know, the one thing they say when you walk into that room, give yourself a break. You got to give yourself a break. Being hard on ourselves is what made us beat up on ourselves, and then a lot of people chose to use, right? So trust me, I know the pain. All right? I know the pain. I'm all off hard dump, just on medical cannabis. Stop drinking. All good just to get healthier now. Okay. GME asking for a friend. Dear Lifer, just like the video, why is ADA suddenly pumping? Well, you got Sunday swap. You got a lot of people pumping it. And honestly, because it wasn't supposed to go that low. Like, it just got sold off by the news. But the people that hold it long term. Like, I'm going to hold ADA for 10 years. I don't care how much Alex Becker makes fun of me. I bought my... See, what he doesn't realize is I put, like, $6-7 grand into ADA at 2 cents, right? So, like, when you put that amount of money into ADA at 2 cents, think about it. Like, there's just no reason to sell until it hits $5-10, in my humble opinion. Join the Patreon, and I promise you, the people in there are more than just a crypto group. It's a family of people who want everyone in the group to not only eat, but feast. I think ADA had a recent upgrade. They did a network upgrade, Putis or something, yesterday. Yeah, they also did a network upgrade. Thank you for saying that. And I should know that, being the crypto lifer. Look at this. Mira on the daily looks like it's going to pop nicely. So I believe this is the next one to move. Look, low, higher low, higher low, higher low, respecting the fifth higher low in a row, in a wedge, getting tight, about to move, MACD, RSI, everything wants to fly. I like what I'm seeing. Falling volume with falling price. The sellers are falling. Where are the sellers? Where are the sellers? They would be here. They aren't strong. They've been just slipping. Now the buyers are coming in on the low here. Seems like we're starting to form a bit of a buy frenzy on the low, on the little bit of a low. Take a look at the 1 hour and the 4 hour. 4 hour also doing a bit of a flip here. Let's see if we can break up. I like Mirror Protocol for the win right now. I like Mirror Protocol for the win. I've been watching it for days. So it's definitely been something I've been watching. Even the 1 hour trying to do a flip here, showing signs of bullishness. The whole market to me is looking bullish. Bitcoin's about to pump, in my humble opinion. From what I see on the stochastics, the chart conveys, Bitcoin's about to do a nice little bit of a pump here. Again, anything is possible. It could dump on me in 1 second. I could look like a fool. I know that. I know nothing but the fact of my own ignorance. But anything could happen. Bitcoin could pump. Did everyone see the links under the video? Lifer has there for you. Check them out. I have so many referral links under the video. Referral links to 3 commas. Referral links to anything that you need. Also, BOOKMAP. Check out the beautiful people at BOOKMAP. I got a link down to BOOKMAP that shows you the liquidity on the exchanges. Shows where people have stop. It doesn't show the liquidity. Shows you where the stop orders are. Shows you where big people, whales, are trying to buy and sell, which could eventually influence the price action. They can take it away. They can spoof. They can do a bunch of things, but it's just good to see what they're doing. A lot of times, if I see a big order at the top, it's going to come. So there's the beautiful people over at BOOKMAP. We're going to show it to you in a second. It's a futuristic, fun, awesome program. Check out BOOKMAP. Love the beautiful people over at BOOKMAP. I don't do many affiliate deals, but I did one with them because I actually like them, respect them. They're a company that I want to be a part of. So shout out to the people at BOOKMAP. Amazing people over there, professional and awesome. And the link below gives you access to a discount, packages that you wouldn't get anywhere else, only through the Crypto Lifer. So check it out. If you're going to get BOOKMAP, you might as well get it through the Lifer. This is what BOOKMAP looks like right here. I have a problem knowing when to get out of trades. Do you have any advice on that? Yeah, it's simple. You got to pick the time frame that you want to trade. And actually, this isn't I can't give you financial advice, but I'll talk about technical analysis. So you see this $45,000 order here? That used to be up at 55. It looks like he moved it down. It used to stay here at 45. He moved it down at 55. He moved it down to 45. So it's telling you it's highly likely we get to that order. The last time I saw this order at 45, he got his order filled. He got us ordered. Now he's got 41.6 and 41.5 and 41,000. You can see it's highly likely we don't go lower than those areas because we got big buy orders there waiting. So we got whales trying to prop the price up here. We got us locked up, and we got people trying to sell at 45K. We got a big order there. 180 Bitcoin sitting at $45,000 on Coinbase Exchange there. So interesting. And then the size of these shows you how much they're buying or selling on the volume, the size of the ball here. I love this thing. I love the way it looks. I like the colors. I like the way they designed it. Such a futuristic, cool program. And it's like having a 1 second chart. It's constant. And you can draw these like shapes. Eventually, look, that's a pennant. That's a falling wedge that broke up to the upside. That's another falling wedge that broke up. There's a falling wedge that broke up. There's a rising wedge that broke down. Rising wedge that broke down. See how it works out? You can actually see the technical analysis inside of the volume nodes. See? These are the beautiful people at BOOKMAP. Check them out. BOOKMAP. Everybody, BOOKMAP. Thank you, BOOKMAP. Appreciate you. The Brady of TA, my man, that's insane. So Mirror Protocol, looking nice, very tight. And remember, on the daily time frame, looking like it's going to pump to the upside. I like what I'm seeing from Mirror. Shout out to everyone here on the live. You know, I woke up today and I was thinking, you know, I have a dentist appointment in the next 2 days. I have something to say. It's pretty funny. Yeah, I have something to say here. Check it out. I'm always doing 10 things with my team. So Mirror Protocol, tight, about to pump to the upside. You know, when I go to the dentist, I tend to clean my teeth extra before I go to the dentist. It's like cleaning your room before your mom gets home. I don't know what it is, but I'm like ashamed for him to think that I don't clean my teeth good enough. Wow. So, wow, the new Telegram update has OBS integration. That's interesting. That's interesting. However, I don't know if it can handle the server. I don't know if it can handle the server though, you know, the amount of bandwidth. I don't think it can handle that many people. Okay, so mirror protocol looking nice. Yeah, so I always clean my teeth before I go to the dentist, like in way too much, like in a like high end. Like I go hard. Like I take the scraper. I basically do what he would have done. And when I get there, he's like, "Wow, your teeth are amazing," and I'm like, "Gotcha," you know. And it's like, what am I doing? Why do I clean my teeth before I go to the dentist? He's supposed to clean my teeth. It's a weird thing that I do. Does anybody else do that? I want to ask, does anyone else clean their, like I start brushing a week or two beforehand, and I try to make sure like I'm just like extra clean. Like he's gonna look down on me or something. Like he's gonna be like, you know, just not up to par here. It's funny. Does anybody else do that? Eli for it was tracking the near trade on the 1 hour, but I got high on the Stokes RSI, still trading in the pattern. If you have problem learning, you should join the trading group if you haven't. And if you're already in the trading group, you're going to figure it out. If I have a problem knowing when to get out of trades, do you have any advice on that? I can't give you any advice on that, no. Lifer does a beginner's course as well as a class on MetaMask wallet. I'll show you when I get out of trades. How's that? YouTube is broken. It says you're not live. Yeah, don't worry about it, man. Just use the links in my Telegram. Even do the tongue scraper thing on the top of the teeth cleaning. When Bitcoin gets above 42,500, it'll fly. The weekly 50 EMA is the resistance. Yep, once it gets above the weekly 50, it's gone, baby, gone. I'm with you on that. K-Dub every time, man. 100% do the same thing. I do that. So a lot of people clean their teeth extra hard before they go to the dentist. I'm trying to go there and have the dentist tell me I need to brush more. Even do the tongue scraper. You're funny. Word, we'll take our car to the mechanic, beat down. Dentist or teeth mechanics, but we want to look perfect. Primal Organics. Tooth powder, y'all. Really? Primal Organics. Primal Life Organics. Power that empowers you. Dirty Mouth Tooth Powder. Interesting. LED whitener. Interesting. Deodorant. I like that. Natural deodorant. Red ED Blue teeth whitening system. Interesting. Thanks, buddy. And we just gave them a plug. Okay, let's keep it moving. Shout out to everyone here. Where is the super chats? Let me see where they're at. Wow, a lot of chats coming in today. Thank you so much for the love. Appreciate each and every one of you for being here. Render looking primed in the cup and handle. Let's take a look at Render, RNDER, USDT. Let's take a look at Render primed in the cup and handle. And there's the win to the upside. I talked about it here. Bang, bang, bang. Render with the before and after. Up 12% gains. No stop loss got hit in the making of this trade. And yeah, he's talking about this cup with that handle, and it's pumping up. I see what you're saying. It's got the secondary cup, the cup. Let's talk about that. Render with the before and after. Banging on him to the upside. 12% gains. I love it when it doesn't hit the stop loss. Render with the before and after. Bang, bang, bang. Trying to keep the pace up. Bang. Okay. Render. Let's take a look at it. We're going to delete my old work. We hit a nice trade, though, to the upside. I like it. You want to see the bigger picture and the smaller picture. You want to see it all. So look at this. Big picture is nice. Let's draw Fibonacci on the big picture. This is where Fibs come into play. Really, really nice. And look, we hit the 786 Fibonacci level. That's a good zone. We got a little lower, almost went to the 886. That's a healthy retracement. Okay? So I like what I'm seeing there. That kind of plays out. Now look, this previous big resistance plays out with the 618. Our next kind of area plays out with the 0.5. This area kind of almost coincides with the 382, and this is very close. See, support and resistance becomes Fibonacci levels. You'll learn this. They overlap. You could trade SNR, support and resistance, or you could trade just simple Fibonacci. So look how tight that is to the upside. Render about to bang on them. Look at that. However, the daily's a little high. Wait for the daily to cool off and come on down. I see this on a lot of things. I think this is just a sideways cool off. I think a lot of coins are going to do something like this and then blast to the upside. So the daily needs to cool off. So I will look at render on the daily time frame, wait for it to cool off. You know, put an alert here down on the bottom here, see what we can see for render. However, it does suggest it's going to pump very hard to the upside. It does suggest it's going to pump very, very hard to the upside. 81% gains coming out of render. I would keep this on your radar. I would watch this 81, but wait for the daily to reset. Or maybe there's a chance it kind of keeps pushing too. I'm in this indecision period. There's one random time where the daily Stokes will be high, but coins will kind of start pushing out of them. I'm telling you, it's random, but it happens, right? Right now, the 4-hour wants to flip an indecision. But you just got to know that that daily is looming, and that's for a lot. What I just did is for a lot of coins. A lot of coins have a high daily, right? But the 4-hour and the 1-hour kind of want to push up. We have to be easy on that. We got to be easy on that, okay? We got to be easy on that. So render USDT here, right? Highly likely to go up 81% gains. Stop loss somewhere below these previous lows, but this thing could do damage. Render up 81%. I see render coming for them. Interesting. Let's take a look at the next super chat here. Can't say I didn't get somewhat thrown off by this crazy YouTube thing today, but I'm staying strong. 2 days in a row, we're getting some disruptions in the game, but nothing we can do. We just got to keep pushing, right? That's all it is. Let's take a look at CHMB, Chumbi Valley. We were looking at it last night. Looked like it could make a bit of a move here. Chumbi Valley on KuCoin, all right? So we're waiting for it to break this resistance. There's a lot of news for this coin. However, it's at resistance. It couldn't get above it. So that's why I wouldn't touch it till it breaks resistance. So just don't touch it till it gets above this line and does a retest. Then it's gone. See, this is a simple coin to play. That's how I'm going to play it. You do whatever makes you happy. I'm not a financial advisor. But I'm looking at this Chumbi Valley to get above this resistance at about a penny and 0.2 cents, and then use that as support and be gone, gone, gone. 62% gains coming out of Chumbi Valley. All right. So that's it, really. There's nothing really much to talk about this. 4 hours a little high, right? Daily's a little high too as well. So you got to wait for it to kind of find out what it wants to do. All right. Not like it doesn't look hot like ApeCoin right now. I'll tell you that, right? Isn't a bit of a flag here on the 1 hour. Can it move out of the 1 hour flag? You just have to know that the bigger time frames are looming, but you play the 1 hour and you stay on the 1 hour. You don't look at any other time frame. You just kind of you stick to the 1 hour time frame, play the flag, see what you can get out of the flag. I would see what I could get out of the flag. This is technical analysis, you know. And I'm not saying CHMB, I'm saying in general. If you see a flag that's, you know, a 1 hour flag, there's really nothing else you could do. Okay. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Appreciate each. I don't like this. I don't like this trade today. I think there's a better trade out there. Way better trade. Way better trades out there. Trades that are above support and resistance. Trades that have been beating things up like this. Way better trade already. SRM. Look at SRM in the 1 hour pumping. SRM and SRM likes to pump with radium. So if radium's pumping, SRM is pumping. Usually tells you something's happening with Luna, and you're going to start seeing a big. Not Luna, with Solana. Solana pumps with SRM and radium. So if SRM start to pump, usually you're going to see Solana start to pump. This is what we see happening. This is also kind of a bullish thing. We see these cups here, all right? And then you see a secondary cup on the top of the cup. It's a cup and handle. It's like I call it a cup and cup. But you'll see this cup here, all right? Very bullish sign, especially in the stock market too. There's a very bullish pattern in the stock market. You highly likely this thing breaks out. It goes up very, very high parabolically. Remember, SRM already had a big pump to the upside. People are want to get back in. You know, that's what happens is people TVL, people jump in, they think it's great, and then the market starts to dump. They start getting scared. They scale out. They think Bitcoin's going to start to do its thing again. They get back into DeFi. They get back into these protocols. They get back into the exchanges. Okay. Look at this thing too. It's oversold in the 1 hour and forming a bit of a flag and wanting to move. So if you look at it here, it's already breaking out of the 1 hour, kind of retesting. Let's go to the 7 minute to the 5 minute. It's trying to do a retest here. Look at this. And see how we went into multiple time frames and we zoomed in to see what's going down? So look, it's trying to do a retest of this. Measured move is the length of this pole to the upside here. Measured move is the length of this pole to the upside. Bang, bang, bang. See that? Measured move is the length of this pole to the upside. That would take you to 329 from 290. That's about 40 cents on 290, not too shabby. All right. SRM on the radar for a bit of a pump here, but market's got some indecision. Not as great as it's been. 4 hour wants to fly, but the daily don't, right? See if the daily is the one thing that's dailies. Yeah, see that daily's high, just like Bitcoin. Everything's high with Bitcoin on the daily time frame. But I've seen parabolic moves come out of that. Look at that, 42,400, baby. Bullish as I suggested, continuing up. I'm in my 3L trade for Bitcoin, all right? And it's starting to break out. Look, that's a clean breakout. That candle is breaking and opening above this trend, and this candle broke above the trend. We got the push to the upside. Look, we talked about this breaking out. It did. 7 minute time frame was low on the stochastics, falling wedge, break to the upside. Look, the measured move was the length of the pole. Bang. Like we show you things, that's a scalp right there. Could have played out. We also talked about this being bullish, hidden bullish divert and swing down and swing down. This is kind of flat and doesn't go down as much. That usually tells you got a bottom, especially on a smaller time frame, 7 minute, strong, right? Shout out to the $100 super chat. Much respect to you and yours, Michael Atkinson. Shout out to Sonic One ATS. Sonic One ATS. Thank you for the $5 super chat from Sonic One. Blocktopia is a great entry right now. Shout out to Toby Chapman. Shout out to the live. Shout out to Toby Chapman. Thank you for coming in. Blocktopia is a great entry right now. LRC and Gamey. I don't know. I thought there was some other ones there. SRM, LRC, and GME. Thank you. Wow, we're moving through them pretty nicely. So Bitcoin going for that 42,500 level. It wants it. However, look, 7 minute is high again. It's going to have to come back down. See, whenever the 7 minute curls, you're done. It's got such a strong, it's so accurate. 15 minute also got high. We couldn't break resistance at 42,500. This is going to be the issue here. And we could actually even extend this and say, all right, fine, we're just in this giant channel. We got to get above that. I'd like to actually say we're in this. That was a fake out. We came back up. We got to get above this. Come on, Bitcoin. You got to close above 42,500. You got to do it for us. You got to do it, baby. Now, me normally, I like to close my trade when I'm that high in the 15. Trade went somewhat well. Not the greatest trade in the world, but okay. I made more than I started with, and that's all that matters, right? And I just keep compounding my gains. So bang, bang, bang. 15 minute is getting high. Highly likely we get a bit of a pullback there. Or do we spurt back up and then come down for the pullback? Either way, it's likely something's coming. Ren just busted out to the upside. I talked about Ren over and over again. I just kept talking about Ren every day. I personally was in the Ren trade, but Ren just broke out. Look, 5 minute flag to the upside. Look at that. Banged out. I talked about Ren. I went over it on my live stream. I went over it. First coin I actually went over today on the live. First thing I said was Ren. First thing I talked about on my live stream today when we started the live. I talked about Ren breaking up to the upside, doing damage. Look at the 4 hour. 4 hour still has legs. I get out of the trade when the 4 hour gets high. I like what I'm seeing for Ren. Bang, bang, bang. And I close my Ren trade. I love taking profits. It's great. I just took 2 profits on 2 trades. Amazing. Not huge gains, but they were gains nonetheless. Learn how to sell. Learn how to sell, everybody. Learn how to sell. It's nice to take profits. It feels good to take profits every single day of your life. I sold 3 trades today already for gains of upwards of $350. It's not even 12 o'clock yet, right? If you make $350 a day, and you can do it almost every day of the year because we can trade 24/7. You make $350 a day times 365 days a year, you're sitting on $127,000 a year. I mean, that's not bad. How many people in America make $127,000 a year? This is interesting. How many people you think make $127,000 a year in America? How many people earn $350 grand, right? If you become a lifer, lifers earn millions of dollars a year. According to the U.S. Census Bureau, less than 5% of households earn $350,000 or more a year. While $350,000 might sound like a lot of money, it'll go quickly when you're raising a family in an expensive city. That's crazy that less than 5% of households make $350,000 a year. That's crazy. Like, what is the average American income in 2021, right? There were 34 million people below the poverty line. Full-time working in 2017, median earnings was $47,000. Look at that. Maryland had the highest median household income. Why? Because that's where all the politicians live. $95,000 a year is the median. The median household income was $68,000 in 2019. Wow, it went down. Or did it go up or down? The weekly median earnings for full-time wage salary workers in the United States is the second quarter amounted to $990. It translates to the yearly income of approximately $51,000. Any amount that should theoretically be considered a good salary. However, it is not as easy as that. What is considered a good salary in one city may not be so in another. Other factors that determine a good salary are the type of job, level of vacation, and sadly, even the gender and race. What is the middle class income in the U.S.? $48,000 to $145,000. What is considered middle class in the U.S.? $48,000 to $145,000. Interesting. Full-time working women. Wanted to see a more broad, easier spectrum of this. See what it was saying. But again, I mean, and that's just getting started, the 127K. So there you go, went to 38.75. That was my sell right there on the wick. That was me selling right there. You know. But look, the 1 hour is high too. You know, that's usually when you get a pullback. So good time to sell, way to come back down. We're going to flag out here. If this is still bullish, it's going to flag out and continue up. Make a bit of a little tiny cup with a handle there, and then it's going to blast on out. And it's going to break out of this. You want to know the trade before the trade even exists. I am 5, 6, 7 hours ahead of the trade. Then I have my alert here on the Stochastics RSI. If you don't know what I just did, I just projection with alert. I did projection with Stochastics alert. That is my trading thesis. That's how I trade. Projection with, you know, Stochastics alert system. Unbelievable. Okay. Your live is being ghosted. Didn't come up. I had to come to your channel to find the stream. Mel, we've talked about this before. Everyone here right now, please join my trading group below my video. I post a link every day there. You will not have to wait for it. You'll be able to get it immediately. Jump on in. 221 people watching. Also, YouTube is down today. If you didn't know, a bunch of other streamers never got the love. We actually were lucky that we got to come on live. A lot of other streamers didn't get to come live. So we're blessed right now. We are blessed that I held strong and we were lucky that the live went through. I held strong. We were lucky that the live went through. Today I'm trading on 3 commas. 3 commas makes trading very, very easy. If you don't know what 3 commas is, I highly suggest you get it. Look at the dashboard. Connects to all of your different exchanges all around. Know how many exchanges you have. Connects to every single one of them. Shows you everything you got, how many coins you own, and it all. Look, ApeCoin. Yeah, I'm holding some ApeCoin up 21%. Yeah, I'm holding Opacity, Telcoin, Serum, Request, ERadix. You know I got me some ERadix in the bag. You know I got some Cardano, some Qtum, some OMG, some Ethereum Classic. I own about 300 coins. Don't do what I do. That's absolutely absurd. But again, I'm an anomaly. So check it out. Smart trade, right? Smart trade is how I open my trades on KuCoin or any exchange, Binance US, Coinbase, you name it. And it's so simple. I pick what I'm going to trade with, USD Tether. I pick the instrument that I'm trading, Bitcoin 3L if it happens to be at the moment, right? I then limit in where I want to limit in, okay? I set a take profit. I set a stop loss. How do I do that? Take a look. Like, say I was going to trade this trade here. Let's just say I was going to trade this bigger pennant to the upside. That's how you make money, bigger time frames. 3-day, 5-day, right? Look at the 5-day. Is the 5-day chart ready to rock for you? Looking pretty good, right? A little high, actually. Interesting. See, I don't trade the 5-day that much. I've never back tested it. I don't know what it can do, if it can flag out, how low it has to go. That's something I don't know because I haven't back tested it. But if you look at the daily, and the daily has legs on Ren, look, it's ready to go. It's still pushing up to the upside. The daily is actually looking very nice for Ren. And so what I do is I like to take this long position and I put it in where I would enter the trade, right? I take my measured move, which is the length of the previous pole here, this length. See, that's going to be what's called a measured move, right? Length of the pole, previous pole becomes the measured move. Bring this back up to resistance. Let's delete this one. We don't need that. It's getting messy there. How I made these lines, I hit Alt-H, okay? How I made this line, I hit Alt-T. Alt-T is how you make a trend line. It's called trend, so Alt-T, Alt-T or Option-T. Alt-T, like I hit Alt-T, and then I can make a trend line anywhere I want. Alt-H just makes a horizontal line. I want to take them away, Control-Z, okay, is undo. MACD just got a cross, bullish. The RSI bounced off the medium line, and we're pushing up on the stochastics. We had falling volume with falling price, which told you that we should get a reversal. And so far, the reversal seems to be happening. REN looks like it could go all the way up here to 54 from 38, right? We talked about this earlier this morning. So 55% gains for 11% stop loss, right? I would swing back over here. I would hit the take profit. I put it up to 50%, right? 55. Did I say 55? I think I did. No, 57. Yeah, we'll hold 55. And then the stop loss, I put with the same percentage, 11.23. In this way, you've now, 11.23. In this way, you've now made it so nice and easy to set this up. And then you hit create trade, and you're going to actually enter the trade right now. And you're going to be in it with a stop loss and everything ready to go. It's beautiful. This is the simplest way for a beginner to learn. And they let you do one free smart trade for free, so you don't even need to pay. Link is in the description below. Jump into 3 commas right now. If you're not using 3 commas, it's going to be harder for you to get to 3 commas, baby. I'm telling you right now. So we got so much here for you. Look, we got BOOKMAP now breaking above. Now BOOKMAP says 42,600 and 700. That's where they're going to bring. That's where their sell order is. Highly likely they're going to bring the liquidity up there. Beautiful move. Beautiful move. And now Bitcoin's doing its thing. Breaking above 42,500. That's what we need to see. 42,500 for Bitcoin. Can you hold Bitcoin? Can you hold? That's the question. That is the question today. Shout out to all my lovers of life. Shout out to the crypto lifers. Thank you for sharing your most precious asset with me. And that is your time. 3 commas on special for $15. Yeah, right now it's on special. Right now they got a sale for 3 commas. 3 commas has a sale right now. Look at this. 3 commas has a subscription sale, right? $15 per month, usually $29, dude. Or the advance for $24. Unbelievable. Look at that. Or get the highest one, the pro, and upgrade. I don't even use the pro. Can you believe that? I still use the advanced. I don't use the, I actually have to contact them. They have to give me a free pro. I don't know why they haven't given me access to a free pro. They contact me all the time. We've had talks with them. We got to sit down with them. We're going to look at LRC, GME, and ATS. We got them for you. Don't worry. We're going to get to the super chats. Much respect to you and yours. Shout out to everyone here on the live. I don't even know how many people are here. I don't even trust it. I'm just going to wing it. I'm just going with it. We got 230 people on the live. Thank you for being here. How many likes do we got cooking, though? 242. We got more likes than the watchers. I can't complain. I can't complain. Hey, we got to go live today. Some channels didn't. We're blessed. We're blessed that it worked for us at the perfect time. Let's take a look at LRC. I heard LRC got big today. Let's take a look at our baby LRC loopering on KuCoin. Look at the move for LRC. Look at the size of the candle. Look at the size of the daily candle. And look, just a little flip can give you the move, right? We thought about LRC up there. We got stopped out. Hey, if you don't get stopped out sometimes, then you're a fake trader, right? If I didn't show you a trade that lost, then, oh yeah, I win every single trade I ever post. I mean, we win a lot. We win like 80 to 70% of the trades we post. We're very accurate. And it comes from the hard work, just showing up every single day. The market maker doesn't think you're going to work this hard. He really doesn't. So they'll let a few of us win, and that's why they let the lifers win, because we work so dang hard, baby. They're like, all right, you guys can get a few W's in there. We'll take the rest of the world down with us, but we'll let you guys get a few W's. LRC is at resistance. That's going to happen. You're going to see this a lot. Remember this. The 200-day moving average catches the price. It's like, no, you're done. I'm going to stop you right there. You're not going to move anymore. The 200-day moving average. See the yellow 200-day? And that is a resistance point when you're on the daily. We need to get above it. Last time we got above it, started a huge move to the upside. So looking for LRC to get above the 200-day moving average to the upside. That's what we're looking at. 3 commas special. Please use Lifer's referral link. Thank you for saying that. 106791. Use the referral link and get the special for 3 commas. Get the special for 3 commas. It's on sale right now. And they even have free forever. It's free forever for 1 active smart trade. So you can learn how to use this. They even have paper trading. Oh, it's not supported, but paper trading is supported here. It means you could trade. Like, this is my paper trading account here. And everything in this account is just not real. Like, I just threw a bunch of money in one place to see how it goes. I was like, let me see how it goes. So you can look at my paper trading account. I'll show you my paper trading account. I don't want to show my real account. I think it's rude. But I could show my paper trading account, right? Oh, then it's going to show my other account, though. That's rude. Yeah. Can't do it. Oh, I could hide it halfway like that. What did I do though? It's got 166,000 in it. Today it's up 2,700 bucks. All I hold in it is BNB, Tether, and Bitcoin. But it's up huge. Like when Bitcoin was down to 10K, I just threw a bunch of money into Bitcoin but I'm also holding some Tether too though. I should start trading with the paper trading account just to see what happens. You know? Like I just put 12 grand in LRC. That'd be kind of funny. Let's see what happens with the paper trading account. My account's up nice today too as well. Nice gains. It's a good day to be a lifer. It's a good day to be a lifer. For sure. Three comments special today, man. You got it. We don't gamble. We work for it. Ace PR, my man. Super chat, LRC, GME. Let's take a look at GME. So LRC, once it gets above resistance, it's gone. Highly likely to get back to 397 is the measured move for LRC. Once it gets above the 200-day moving average on the daily time frame, look for it to go parabolico. A lot of coins want to move. I'm telling you right now. LRC. And there's just so many trades in the trading group right now. Like, look at this. Like, let's look at the VI. I can't even show you the elite group right now, but there's so much going on right now in the elite group. You'd be excited to get in there. Hey, guess I'm about to show you a trade. It starts with, only the traders in the elite group are going to know about it. I have actually 5 coins that I want to talk about right now, though, that I believe are going to be hot for the summer. Top 5 altcoins for the summer. Number 1 is Kadena. Kadena, look up KDA. Have it on your radar. Find out what Kadena is. I believe $6 was the bottom. I've talked about it numerous times now. I believe 6 beans is the bottom for Kadena. The daily is very low, about to flip to the upside on the stochastics RSI. We're also in a beautiful bull pennant here on the RSI. Highly likely this is going to break to the upside. Look at that. It's hitting the medium. Very nice. And lack of sell pressure on the MACD on the daily time frame. This is looking like it's going to boom to the upside. I like what I'm seeing. I'll put the 12 grand on my paper trade into that. Look. So I'll show you. We're going to paper trade right now. All right? We're going to paper trade. It's going to show you an exact trade, the exact way you would open up a trade. You can hit smart trade. I'm in my paper trading account. It's the one highlighted. Okay? Make sure, you know. And I'm going to show you how to do a smart trade here really, really nicely and easily. We're on KuCoin, paper trade account. All right? Let's see if I can pick Kadena. It does, yeah. It'll let you find any coin you want. And we're just going to go, I'm going to go use the daily. I'm just going to go balls deep into Kadena with all the tether. It says I don't got any tether. Trades do not minimum requirements. 15 USDT. Thought I had tether in there. Said I had tether in there. Whatever, that'd be fine. I just want to throw 12 grand in my paper trading. But I truly believe that is a beautiful coin to get in here. Look at the rounded bottom. You're buying the bottoms of the bottoms. It's a beautiful coin. It can do damage. Look for it to go all the way up here to $31. That's a 5x. I believe this coin can 5x not too long from now. I really do. 5x for Kadena not too long from now. It's on my radar. If you don't know about the Morpheus network, y'all are sleeping. Thank you. Now we do. Appreciate it. Now we're not sleeping. Let's take a look at Morpheus network. Let's see what's going on with the Morpheus network. Great name, as they stole the Matrix idea, but you know, why not, right? Why not? We're all into that. Supply chain, blockchain software. Overline too, right? The one that's like a wireless blockchain system. That's crazy. Overline, check that out. Welcome to Morpheus Network, blockchain-powered supply chain. The Morpheus Network, global supply platform, is a supply chain SaaS model, middleware platform, seamlessly integrating legacy and emerging technologies. Blockchain, IoT, RFID, ETC, etc. We provide companies with the shipment and item visibility for optimizing and automating safe and secure supply chains, saving time and money. The Morpheus, wow, this is pretty cool. Video intro, let's talk. I just like to see how they come up with their marketing. Is it a nice voice? Is it quick and easy? I'm trying to judging their marketing right now. Not too bad. I like it. All right. Bunch of stock images with the little thing.
Our vision is a world with more effective, fair, and sustainable commerce. Our customers and partners harvest the benefits from digitization using our emerging technology middleware.
Not bad.
Customer case to highlight the
They could have hired the crypto lifer though. I would also like to do the voiceovers for a lot of these companies. I'd like to be known as the crypto voiceover guy. Just like there's the guy that does all the videos for like, you know, coming now, you know, this June, you know, in a world so different. When a man falls in love with a woman for the first time. It's coming in theaters near you. You know, I want to become the voice of crypto. Like the voice of all the crypto you know, all the little commercials, all that. Like, why not, right? Let's be the voice of cryptocurrency. Let's do it, baby. I don't like that voice. Weak. It was a voice. It was weak voice. You're funny, man. It's a weak voice, bro. Look, that's a breakout if I've ever seen one on the 1 hour. Beautiful. We got to get above this resistance, though. 42,500. We are 42,500. We got to close above it. We got to stay above it. We got to hold above that line. Wow, we know about the Morpheus network. Thank you. Now we're not sleeping, everybody. Now we're not sleeping. Just so everybody knows, we are not sleeping now. 3 comment special. Use the Lifer's referral link. It helps him in a small way, too. Definitely use the referral link if you need 3 commas. It'll change your life. There's no reason not to use it for $14 a month. For $140 a year or like $160 a year, it'll change the way you trade. It'll change the way you're organized. It'll change the way you sign into everything. It'll be such an easier and nicer experience. There's just no reason not to use 3 commas. If you're not using it, you're sleeping, like my man said. Y'all sleeping, like Eric Master said. You already are the voice of crypto. Shout out to Wendy Fraze. Thank you so much for saying that. You're hilarious. 72 million tokens. That's a pretty small supply, actually. I don't like that voice. You're funny, man. LRC, GME, and ATS. Let's take a look at GME. Let's look at GME. GameStop on Bittrex. Funny, you can trade GameStop on Bittrex now. It's got no liquidity, though. That's weirdly strange. Are you asking about gamey or... Keeping it traded on FTX. Let's look at it here on FTX. Funny, you can trade a lot of stocks now with crypto. It's so weird, right? So we do trade the stock market now. We can trade GameStop regardless. We don't have to trade the stock market and wait. That's why. So anyone who's trading the stock market's a complete fool. Because to trade gamey on the stock market, you have to take an hour, like 2 or 3 days to get your money in. You got to do a bunch of nonsense. Look at it, broke out of this nicely to the upside, all the way up here to 145. Nice move here. Lister 333, love you, brother. Thank you so much. Awesome beginner's class yesterday. It really made a difference in my TA and trade skills. Thanks again, Sam. You're the one. Dude, I put a lot into that class. Like, you got 5 years of knowledge handed to you, man. I tripped on my face for years. You got 5 years of knowledge just piecemealed right to you. That trading course will blow your mind. I'm telling you right now, you'll never see anything like that. That trading course will blow your mind. What does 3 commas do that other exchanges don't? 3 commas is not an exchange. 3 commas connects you to every exchange at once. When you have in 3 commas, you're connected to Coinbase, FTX, Bybit, Kraken, any exchange you want. You can trade any exchange. Look, I trade all my exchanges from one place. All my exchanges from one place. Come on, man. What's it different than other exchanges? It's not an exchange. It's an aggregated user interface to help you trade every single exchange. Look, I can trade Binance, Binance Futures, Crypto US, Coinbase, KuCoin. Anything you need, you can trade it here. Anything you need, you can trade it here on 3 commas. What does 3 commas do that the other exchanges don't? That class was brilliant. Thank you so much. So much makes sense now. It's crypto life. Thank you for saying that, man. I love you. Trailing stops. It does so much. It does trailing stops, number 1. Like, you can trail your stop loss underneath it. So basically, when you set your take profit, you set a stop loss, and you can put a deviation away, and it'll ride it up underneath it. And you can set a trailing stop loss. It's really, really nice. The Barry White of crypto, Matt Stevens. I hope so, man. I hope so. Can you trade FTX US only on FTX? I know, right? I don't know. That's a good question. 3S for Luna and Near showing 80K on TradingView. Weird. Looks like they retest the chart or something. They do that sometimes. They do rebase that chart. That's why you got to be careful. Is Crypto Lifer? He has 3 commas video in his video history. I'm sure you can search 3 commas. Shout out to Gregory, the sniper, my dude. And thank you so much for the $2. I think it's rupees, but I don't know. The $20, 20 rupee. Thank you so much for the love. Appreciate you and yours. Nowhere to be. Wow, 42,600 Bitcoin, baby. Doing damage. There we go. And all we need is a candle to close above 42.5 and we gone, baby. We gone. Like, that's it, everyone. Like, that's it. We close above 42.5 and we gone. We gone, baby. We gone. And remember, I'm on that 15 minute. 15 minute is getting overbought now. It's extending. Eventually, it's going to get a pullback. Let's see how far it can go before the pullback. I did sell a little early, but that's okay. I'm going to get back into my trade and ride that 4 hour to the upside. Don't get me wrong, baby. But we even had this falling wedge to the upside. And look, there is my measured move right there. 40,642. We whipped right to it. Insanity. Insanity. That was a 7-minute trade that we played on the 7-minute. How we got the measured move was the length of this pole. Put it right there. Told us exactly where the price action was going to go. Now we dipped. Hey, the algos found the exact same measurement that I did. Bing. It's insane. Absolutely. And that's a cup and handle that just broke up to the upside. Don't tell me a cup and handle don't play. Sammy cup and handy to the upside. Look at the cup and handle here that just played out on the 7-minute. Could have scalped that cup and handle. Yes. Bobby, I've seen you in weeks, Bobby. Thank you for coming. Are you still with Cheryl? Would you guys? No. Oh, yeah. Sorry, I won't ask about that anymore. New girl? Shout out to everyone here on the live. Appreciate each and every one of you for being here. Love y'all for coming on in. Overbought. That's why I took profits. I like to take profits. But look at this beautiful thing did break out. I mean, it's a falling wedge that broke out. I played with it all night last night. If you were with me, we started with this. This is why I love my trading group. Like, I started with this. I didn't know what right? Then it broke. Then I kind of did this, right? Then I did that. And then I said, remember everyone? I was like, I think I got it. And I'm like, I got it. And I had the falling wedge. And then I had the cup and handle, falling, bang, 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 right? So you can see how I figured this out based on technical analysis. I followed the path, right? Look, this is a cup and handle too. And this suggests that we're going up to 45,000. See? 44,008. That coincides with that order that's on Bookmap. You get it? You see the coincidences starting to form? Nothing is a coincidence. So my cup and handle is up there. So is he watching my channel? Is this whale watching my channel? Is that why he's sitting up at 45K? He's like, well, crypto life are never wrong, yo. So I'm gonna sell 183 Bitcoin up there at 45,000. He has a lot of gall to sell it up there. He knows that he can get it cheaper. He has a lot of gall knowing that he can sell it at $45,000. Pretty interesting, right? Shout out to the beautiful people at Bookmap. I do have an affiliate link to Bookmap below the video. Look at this. This is aggregated liquidity. It's showing me where they're going to sell all their Bitcoins, where they want to buy all their Bitcoins. These are order books on the exchange. And this is showing me where the orders are getting done. That's a big buy order. It's very green. 42,690. We told you we were going there, didn't we? We just told you we were going up to 42,690 because we saw the liquidity up there. Now, if you see them lower this liquidity, they're going to lower us. If you see them raise the bar, look, this liquidity here is now there. This is the same guy. He's raised his liquidity to 42,004. He now believes that it's going to keep moving up, so he's moving his move up. See this? Now you got buys at 43,000. See that? Now you got the big buy here at 42,300. It's highly likely we chase that point. This is why Bookmap's fun to have. It can really come in handy. I would definitely jump into Bookmap. It also helps me if you use the referral link. Jump on into the Bookmap team. And they're an amazing team with great resources. I really like what they put together. And you can put it on all coins too. It's really, really nice. So look, we're breaking resistance. That was the resistance right there. We broke above it. Beautiful thing. Now Bitcoin just has to stay above 42,500. That's it. That's all it needs to do for the next 5 to 6, 7 hours. And we are good to go, everybody. We are good to go. Nothing to stress. Nothing to worry about. Today is the weekly screen share, everyone. Today is the weekly screen share. We sit together from 6 to 8:30 together. Okay? Link will be put into the Lifer trading group. Okay? I could actually bust it out right now. People probably want it. They're like, where is it? Where are we going to get in? Well, I need that so bad. The FOMO for the weekly screen share. I love it. I FOMO for it. You don't think I do? I love hanging out with each and every one of you. You are the greatest people on earth. You're the people that I wanted to find. I put myself out. Look, you go into the world and you have your personality. And you have to find everyone's personality and learn them. Or you could just make a YouTube channel and then throw your personality out to the world like a dart to a dartboard. I'm not throwing darts at you guys, but you know what I'm saying. Throw your personality out to the world. Just throw it out there and then wait and see who comes back. And honestly, whoever comes back likes you because they've already looked at you and they're like, you know what? I like this dude. He's cool. I'm cool with his personality. So my whole trading team is a bunch of people that love me and it's an amazing group. So It's everyone that likes my energy coming together. So you already have things in common with the people in the group already because you already like me. So I'm the yarn that brought us all together, and that's what I think is amazing. And now I don't have to deal with people that I can't stand. You get it? Because I love the lifers. The lifers are great. You guys have changed my life. You don't get it. You've changed my life. Like, I didn't fit in. I didn't have a lot of, like, I didn't have that feeling of being a part of something. I was always on the outskirts, always alone. I worked a night shift where every day I was alone. Look, I spent my days alone in my apartment, and then I would go work alone. I mean, that's why I became a freaking internet creeper, right? I was on the computer all night long, learning about aliens, near-death experiences, UFOs, USOs, unidentified submerged objects. There's unidentified submerged objects, not just a UFO, but a USO. How about hyperbolic soil? I know things that'll blow your mind. What is hyperbolic soil? It's soil that's afraid of water. No, hydrophobic soil. There's soil that's afraid of water. It happens when it gets hit with a radiation from a UFO. Again, we'll get into that on another day. That's another channel altogether. But I just want to teach you, I've been open-minded for a long time doing deep dives on many different subjects, on many different things. And I just want to say everyone has changed my life. The trading group, I feel a part of something now. I feel like I have a family now. I feel like I'm understood now. You guys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, binaries, whoever you are, lifers really, just call you lifers. Thank you, each and every one of you, from the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much, because without each and every one of you, I would have probably gone mentally insane. So thank you for everything. Thank you for being there for me. Thank you for creating a family for me to live and thrive in. Unbelievable. Crypto Lifer, you are an alien. In my opinion, Bitcoin will run out of supply tokens faster than anyone could have guessed because of inflation and elites can't lose their money. I agree, man. I agree. I've been saying that all along. They're going to be like eventually not happening. I'm a lifer binary. Shout out to Rainier Hasbro. Rainier, my man. Love you, brother. I'm a lifer and we are sleeping and we ain't sleeping, right? Shout out to Eric Master, man. I love you, brother. Check out the remote viewing. Oh, I know all of it. Come on. You think I don't know about remote viewing? I've done remote viewed for years. I can close my eyes right now and go to a different place. Okay, right now, look at the lifer, right? I'm in Calderon's house right now. He has a coat. When I go into Calderon's house right now, I see a coat. It's like on a chair. He didn't hang it up. He has it hanging on a chair. I see a blue color, a bright blue color in his house. Calderon, so you have a bright blue color in your house? Is there a coat on the chair? Let me see if I see something else in his house. I'm looking. I keep getting a fish tank. I keep seeing a fish tank. Do you have a fish tank? Do you own reptiles? I see a fish tank. Let me know if I hit it. CIA enters. No, you didn't know I worked for them. They already tried to recruit me. I said, come on, guys. I got other things to do. You know, the sky is bluish. And yes, we got a coat on the chair. You're funny, man. No, but I saw something like Smurf blue, bright blue in your house. Like a chair or a table, like a really bright blue, like a weird blue, like a blue that's like more obvious, you know? Why can't you remote view your sunglasses? I know where they are. They're in that t-shirt store. I know exactly where they are. Don't do that. How come you can't remote view your wallet when it's misplaced? I do it all the time. I knew it was in my coat pocket. She's funny, right? My wife, man. Poking fun at the lifer. She likes to do what she likes to do. Let her have her fun. Bitcoin breaking hard. 47,720. Bang, bang, bang. Thank you, Bitcoin. And there's your measured move. That's where you were supposed to go. Never doubt the TA. Let the measured move play out. Look at the cup and handle today on the 7-minute. We saw this happen live on the live stream. We called this happening, and it did happen live in front of all of us. 42,700. What a beautiful day it is to be alive when Bitcoin's pumping. What a beautiful day it is to be alive when Bitcoin's pumping. Especially when you called along the night before. Right? I'm telling you right now, this is the place to be. This is the place to be. Good laughs. She's coming for you. Shout out to Danny Setters. Danny, man, whenever I see your name, man, you remind me of my first few days streaming ever. Danny was one of the first people ever, and I was like, Danny Setters, we can't have a live stream without Setters. Danny Setters, man, I love you, bro. You give me goosebumps because you remind me of when I started, and we were just starting out, baby. We were just starting out. Let's go Super Cycle altcoin season, folks. Joshua Carrero. When the US dollar crashes, what do you think the Bitcoin price will be? Oh, hundreds of thousands of dollars. Watch my video that's going to come out later on today. Guys, I have a video coming out later on today. How Bitcoin can get to 300K realistically, a realistic price prediction for Bitcoin. Check out that video. It's going to blow your mind. It's coming out today at 3:30. Realistic price prediction for Bitcoin. Do we have the realistic price prediction for Bitcoin thumbnail? Remember the thumbnail for that video, everybody. Let's get it going, Saad. Get it done quicker than earlier, Saad, so we don't have to worry about you or harass you at 3:30 p.m. Love you, buddy. Okay. Support ATS. Let's take a look at the super chat. ATS. Crypto love is extremely bullish. Also, Sam. Oh, yeah. We see things that other people don't see. We see things other people just do not see. We've been in the game a long time, so we have a better frame of reference. Okay? A lot of these newbies, like even Crypto Jeb, dude, the dude is what, 27? I love him to death, but like I traded the stock market for, I traded commodities on the Toronto Stock Exchange for, 7 years. Like I didn't just start trading crypto. Like I've been trading for 15 years. Okay? I'm a 39-year-old man. Like you can learn a lot about life and love with me. You can learn about love. You can learn about life. I can teach you. I had a lot of girlfriends before I got married, right? I can teach a man about women. I can teach a women about men, right? So, I mean, we're not going to have a show about that, but I'm just saying, right? And that all comes into play. Crypto Love has the best t-shirts in crypto. I love that dude. He's the best. I got to buy a bunch of his t-shirts and wear them every other day. I love Crypto Love. I got to start making t-shirts. Who wants to start making t-shirts with me? We got to start making t-shirts. I got so many cool ideas. We got to have the Doing Damage t-shirt, right? And everybody knows I got an NFT. Nobody bought it. Price prediction for Bitcoin. I'd say realistic, Bitcoin's realistic road to 300K. Bitcoin's realistic road to 300K. Or like, you got to see this Bitcoin chart. Make it a clickbait, man. You got to see this Bitcoin chart. Or this is the one chart you need to, this one chart says it all about Bitcoin. This one chart says it all. Do that. Bitcoin, this one chart says it all. And then put 300K, question mark. In the thumbnail, just write Bitcoin to 300K. This chart. I know a t-shirt guy, but we are not friends anymore. It was hard to get t-shirts when there was a supply issue, right? It was just hard and I had to pay a lot. I've gotten wrecked with Jeb and BitBoy. That's so sad. I'm sorry to hear that, man. But you wrecked yourself, though, I have to say. You can't say that someone else wrecked you. I mean, what you say is you didn't know enough and you thought they knew a lot and you listened to them. I get it. But again, at the end of the day, you wreck yourself, all right? We need a booming to the upside t-shirt. Yeah, we need Doing Damage, booming to the upside. We need it all. Double bottom, rounded bottoms. We need it all. We need all the fun shirts. I get it. I know. AXS broke out of this long-term trend, pointing out it's also in a bit of a descending triangle, though, but it did break out of it. However, resistance is here at 56. It's got to get above it, and then it can make a bit of a move. Resistance is at 56, though. It's got to get above it. Cup and Handy t-shirt. Oh, yeah, we need a Sammy Cup and Handy. Banging on them. We got so many. Don't fight the pump. Shout out to Produce the Gains, my man. Produce the Gains. When are you going to become an admin in my group? Jump into the admin side, right? Start posting amazing VIP charts like K-Dub and the rest of us. I want to make you an admin, man. I'm honing in on you, bro. Our group's going to grow. We're going to need 2 more admins in the next couple of months. Admin analysts, people that kind of do their damn thing. There's a lot of perks to that. Let me know. I've been eyeing on you, man. I've been watching you. You're coming up in the ranks, dude. I love you. You've taught me as well. I'm not trying to be your dad. You've taught me as well. So I appreciate you so much in so many ways. Shout out to Mr. Bush in the game. Saints Addiction t-shirts in Las Vegas. I have no idea what that means. God, he does them. Okay. That's some shipping, though. We'll find out. I'm wrecked to ace. LOL. Really do get some ideals and info here. Thank you. Shout out to BRMC, man. Anytime, man. Anytime. You're funny. Imagine being up 8,700%. Imagine being up 87,000%. Amazing. What a move, Rainer. The best trader in the best trader of the year of the century, 87,000% gains. So crazy, man. Produce them gains. You ready? We want him, man, but he's just gotta we gotta get him to he has amazing calls and he's on it and he looks at more charts than a lot of people in the group and he's just so heavy with it. I feel his passion. He's got the passion. Imagine people wouldn't have the passion. Okay, cool. Thank you so much for telling me. This is my new favorite group. Shout out to Sean Black, my man. Thank you for coming in, Sean. Appreciate you. You blow Jim Cramer out the water. Yeah, remember that guy? He got all tough. It's funny, man. I said one day I'm not a huge fan of Jim Cramer, and this one dude wanted to leave my trading group over it. He's like, Jim Cramer taught me everything I know, and come on now. And I was like, come on, dude. I'm allowed to not like somebody that you like. Come on. People want to make me a goldfish in a gold bowl, or I live in a bowl or something. I got to be exactly who they think I am, every 5 seconds. Dude, I'm going to throw you a curveball sometimes. I'm the crypto lifer. I ain't going to do the same thing every single day. She's. I said she's. I didn't say the word. I don't think a wedge gets past him. Shout out to Stack McChange. Isn't that funny? He catches every daily wedge on Coinbase. No, he does. We have a guy in my group that catches every daily wedge on Coinbase. You're trading on Coinbase. He's going to give you every single coin that's about to pop, and he's 80% accurate. Nails it. I've watched people leave the group over the slightest things. When do you sign into the World Trading Group? You always know when live or stream is about to start. Exactly. See what she said? If you sign up to the World Trading Group, you'll never have to look for the link again. You'll get the link delivered to your inbox. Bang, bang, bang. Sam, do you know Brian Beamish? No, I never heard of him. Shout out to Anko, Kutsi Butsu, my man Danny, man. I love you, Danny. Danny, Patrick, my man DP. D-Pat. Dapa. Can I call you Dapa, Danny Patrick? Dapa in the house. He probably don't like that. I don't know if Danny likes that. I don't want to mess with Danny. Danny is you don't want to mess with Danny because Danny could probably, I don't know. He could probably stare at you and, reconfigure your atoms and then, turn you into, an amoeba or something. LRC, the highest one in the game today. SRM banging on him, cream. Not the greatest day of trading today. Telcoin getting it in, though. Telcoin trying to find a bottom. That's what it's trying to do. It was a hot coin. It also gets pushed a lot by Bullzilla. If you watch the Bullzilla show, I like Bullzilla. He's a cool dude. He loves Telcoin. They've been into Telcoin early. We were into Telcoin, too. We talked about it. In this run-up, we did a good run-up, and then a few times we traded it on a swing trade. We like Telcoin. Bitcoin for the win, 42,600. I like what it's doing. It's just got to hold above 42,500. I need that group. I'm Coinbase only. Jump into our group, man. I give you so many Coinbase trades all the time. I know the atomic substructure of Brilquin zone of stuff. Danny, my brother. Yo, and me and the admins been getting close. There's not that many of us, man. And we lost some admins around the way. Jesse Jungle, man. I don't know what happened to Jesse. Jesse, we love you. We miss you. I don't think there's any reason to leave crypto, Jesse. I know you're struggling. He had to start a new business. He started running around. Life got hectic for him. I believe he'll be back. He was one of the nicest, most supportive people. He was the first person to super chat me, and he gave me a $10 super chat every day for over 6 to 7 months. We had a lot of people. Crypto Greg used to throw me big money. Remember Crypto Greg with the $50 super chats, $30 super chats, $50 super chats. Then we had my man Ray used to throw me the $100 super chats, the $60 super chats. But, one baller leaves, another baller comes in. Michael threw down $100, $100 super chat today. Bitcoin, 44,500 today. Hey, it's possible, man. It's possible. ADA for the win. I was skeptical joining the group, but no regrets this far. I'm certainly not losing on trades as much. Greg Novak, man, you were skeptical joining the group. Trust me, man. We give you so much more information than any other group, and we're actually pretty accurate with trading Bitcoin. It can't be real, though. It has to be a glitch, right? All right, shout out to everyone here on the live. Appreciate each and every one of you for being here. 11:59 because he didn't want to pay up. There was one guy that was here every day, and he lost the bet and left because he didn't want to. Yeah, remember that guy? Yeah, you were here since. Yeah, remember when he lost the bet with me? BS Social Swaps. He have a photographic memory. BS Social Swap. That was his name. I DM'd him one time, and then he tried to, and then he said he was Muslim, and gambling was against his religion. That's why he couldn't pay me. But he bet me Bitcoin was going down to 20K, and we were sitting at like that 30 level, and I said, no way, I'm longing all the way to 40K, and he swore we were at some crazy level. And he lost the bet horribly. He was a Elliott Wave trader. I'm sorry, if a lot of the guys that do Elliott Wave 110%, like that's all they do, I don't do it. I'm not into it. I think it's a bunch of hoopla. I know you guys think I'm crazy. I'm not into it. No. And I'm very accurate as a trader. I don't use Elliott Wave at all. And the Elliott Wave traders that have challenged me, a lot of them have lost against me. I think, because you know why? Elliott Wave trader does this. This is what they do. They're like, you know, here's wave 1, here's wave 2, here's wave 3. This is definitely like an ABC correction. And then it's going to go wave 1, wave 2. Then maybe wave 4. I'm not sure. Maybe a wave 2 of a wave 3. It may be an ABC connection of, you know, it's just like, come on, dude. Like, and then they're like, we're going to come here. And then, you know, I think we're going to come on down. And then we're going to come on up here. And then we're just like, and I'm looking at them like, dude, like, you missed the cup and handle. You missed the divergence. Like, you didn't see support and resistance. Like, you have just thrown out all of the fundamentals for your Elliott Wave trading. And I'm just like, no, man. No. Like, you need to stop. Like, you need to stop. And I'm sure someone out there will challenge me, and I don't want to hate on trading styles. It's not my bag. I'm sure someone else is good at it. If I sat with Elliott Wave and I used it every single day constantly, I'm sure I'd get good at it. I just think it's confusing to beginners, and they end up just freaking getting lost in the sauce by the time they don't even know what's going on. I've seen so many Elliott Wave traders just fall to the downside, man. I think Elliott Wave takes like 12 years to get good at, and that's the problem. So most of the people teaching it and playing with it don't even know what they're doing. It takes 12 years to get good at Elliott Wave theory because you need to see so much price action to understand how many big a wave is. You need to be in charts for years, and you need to be able to see a yearly chart, weekly chart. Like, really to encompass Elliott Wave, you need to have way more information. Too many people think they can learn trading within a year, but they don't realize it's the time frames that you get over time that give you the gift. The gift comes from seeing this stuff over and over again. That's where the gift comes. I see Telcoin breaking out here. However, the daily's going to have to come on down. That's like the same thing on every other coin in the game. Let's take a look at the total market cap of all of cryptocurrency. The total market cap, right? And look, 1.9, dude. That's huge, babe. 1.9, babe. Wow. Woo! $1.9 trillion. Look, cup and handle broke to the upside. I called this a cup and handle, and it really was. We could actually extend this, make this a bigger handle in a way. Like that. See that? Look, there's your handle. There's your cup. We blasted up the cup and handle. There's another Sammy cup and handy to the upside. And we called the bottom there at $1.63 trillion. Nailed it. Nailed it. There was also a divergence there. Look, you had swing down to swing down. You can barely see it with all my crazy lines. And this is swing up to swing up. RSI gave you a divergence at the bottom of the channel off of my high point. We bounced off 1.82. We came here. We're coming to $1.94 trillion. Dude, we haven't been at 1.9. The last time we saw 1.9 in the market cap was March 2nd, everybody. March 2nd. It's been 2 weeks. And look at this. This is a W. Look at the W. It was an obvious W. Look at the double bottom W. And that was the measured move right here to 195. I mean, it is what it is, right? So when you come to my channel and we play these lengths, and now we might see a pullback or we might see just a little slight pullback. That's a breakout. We broke out of this cleanly on total market cap. This is a big thing. I wish you could have Michael CELR on your show, Sam. We will. We'll work really hard. We'll get him. We'll contact him, and I'll get him on the show. I believe I'm going to get Tom Brady on the show, Michael CELR on the show. We are going to get so many amazing people on this show. I'm telling you right now. We're going to do it. We're going to do it. Kramer is fake news. Yes, he is. He's the worst, bro. I'm not into that dude at all. At all. He never even told you to buy Bitcoin at 10. All the financial advisors, if they didn't tell you to buy Bitcoin at 3,000, 4,000, 7,000, 10,000, clowns. They're all clowns. They don't understand finance. They don't understand the world, the history of money. They don't have a good sense of the history of money. If they understood the history of money for the last 5,000 years, they would have known that they could talk about Bitcoin 5 years ago. They would have been laughed at. It would have been tough. But then 10 years later, their channel would have been the biggest channel on earth. Everyone who's talking about Bitcoin on the low, those people are going to be the people that that you see later on making millions and billions of dollars. Like, I truly believe there's a chance I become a billionaire. a billionaire. I'm being honest with everybody. Like, and I'm not trying to be pompous. I know it's like, how dare he say stuff like that? But I'm just, because this is the thing. I've 10x my money many times. I can turn a grand into 100K. That's 100x, right? So I know I can 10x. I've 100x, 25x, 15x, 60x, 44x, right? About 7 times in my life, I've done over a 40x. So I know I can do it. And I've done over a 10x, I think about like 20 or 25 times. So 10x is something I can do. So all I got to do is get out of this next bull run of 2024 here, right now 2022 area here. I got to get into this next bull run with $1 million. And then in 2024, I have to 10x it to 10 mil. And then in 2028, I need to 10x it to 100 mil. To me, it's like a no-brainer that I'll be worth 100 mil by 2030. No-brainer. To me, I might be worth 300 mil when I do the math, because I'm like, I'm also going to do some BTC pairs, and I'll probably trade some Bitcoin for more money too as well. So, you know. Anyway, he's a puppet, and he talks like Yoda. Does he not? Yeah, he does. I don't like to talk about anyone. I want to be positive all the time, though. Shout out to Jordan Cameron. Is he on the show? Shout out to Jordan. Appreciate you, brother. Top 5 coins for the summer are Kadena is number 1. Kadena is the number 1 coin for the summer, in my humble opinion. You just can't beat it. You just can't beat it. It has such a lot of people are behind it. It's going to fly. I just like it. It's beautiful. Kadena. It's on my radar, right? Top coin. Next coin for the summer, EXRD, which I do hold a huge bag of. I only hold $300 of Kadena. I don't have a huge bag of Kadena. But look, I talked about this on the daily, about to break out too. Shoulder, head, and a shoulder, and it did break out. EXRD to 16 was just $12, up 25% on the move, getting overbought on the daily time frame. So now just look for it to flag out. Now it's going to make that mini cup and handle. It's just cup and handle. Look, cup with a handle. Cup with a handle. Cup with a handle. Super chat, Adam and Seller. Let's take a look at Adam and Seller. Thank you so much for the super chats. Much respected to you and yours. 1 billion is just 9 doubles away from 1 mil. Exactly. It's not that big of a deal. I like how you just said that. Jordan Cameron Crypto, it's okay if you're lurking, bro. How do you know he's lurking? I'd love to take you out to breakfast. Taxes make it hard. 35%. My treat. That's funny. My treat. EXRD is the second coin for the summer that I'd be looking at. I would write that down. EXRD, second hot coin for the summer. I believe it's going to do damage. Go back to that all-time high and more. A 5X is waiting for you from EXRD. My next coin for this summer is Atom. Save his play with a bigger market cap. Atom is interruptible. It's a hub that connects all the chains. Look how close Atom is about to pop. Atom about to do damage. Damage. Look for Atom to pop out of this channel. Highly likely. Tight moving averages on the daily time frame. Lack of bearish momentum on the MACD. Signs of life for Atom. Atom is about to do big damage. Atom, in my humble opinion, is about to do damage. Atom USDT, damage. For sure, Atom's about to do serious damage. And it's on KuCoin, Coinbase, Binance. You can get it anywhere you want. Daily chart looking very bullish. Little extended, but I think it's going to have big momentum. This is a great coin. It's really strong. I got into Atom at $3.78, $4.05. I'm now holding over a 5X in Atom, banging on them. So you have to remember, I got into these coins in October and November of 2020. I held them through all the pain, all the ups and all the downs, all of it, because I didn't get I had a goal, and my goal is to sell when we have a real rally. And I personally still haven't seen a bull run like I want. Like it hasn't. We had a beginnings of one. We had moves. It was a bull run. We had moves, but it wasn't perfect. It wasn't like 2017. Like I need to see that extensive insanity, just 10xing, 20xing, money everywhere, just out of control. Like you make 5K in your sleep. You don't even care. Like money is just pouring out of your pants. It's out of. You won't believe it. You won't believe it. It'll be insane. The live stream will be out of control. Super chats will be getting thrown at me. I'll be freaking exhausted. Like everyone's going to be winning. My analyst charts, boom, boom, boom. Oh my God. Get ready because it's going to happen to this group. And when it does, it's going to be absolute insanity. That is life-changing wealth. And that's what we're waiting for. And that's what's coming. All right. What happened to Trent? He talked about Atom nonstop. He actually emailed me the other day. He's still around. He's still around. See, that's how you're an OG, Produce the Gains. You're an OG, man. You're an OG. Stack McChange, I'm right there with you. I was so close at one point, but my hodl's in the dumps right now. Trying to gonna get my first 100K, then a mil, then there's no limit, baby. Exactly. The first 100K is the hardest, baby. The first 100K is the hardest. You can do it. You can do it. Then it becomes like 100K becomes like 10K to you. Like, 100K, it's 100K. I throw it over here, over there, you know? And that's another thing. Mentality of money is important. You want to start realizing that money is nothing. Like lower class people, they put 100K as such a big, oh my God. It's like, dude, it's 100K, man. A million is just a million. Like you got to just not be so pushed back by money. It's just a digit. Forget about it. $10, a million, whatever. You can get there. You can achieve anything. There's no lack of money in this world. There's so much money in the world. There's no lack of money at all. At all. No lack of money at all. Okay? At all. There's so much money out here. It's ridiculous. They print it to the end of time. They printed it to zero. It's everywhere. It's everywhere. So just go out there and grab some of it. Come up with a cool idea. Do it someone else. Just go do something that no one else is doing. Or do something other people are doing, but doing it in a different way that in a way nobody has done it. Like I saw these channels, but I'm like, I'm going to do my channel differently. Right? Same idea. And tell your boss, though. You know? Tell your boss, I'm out. I'm gone. I'm not doing it no more. Peace out, Girl Scout. You know? Bye, Felicia. You know what I'm saying? Bye, Felicia. Once you got enough money to say, peace out, Girl Scout. You know? Look at shoulder, head, and shoulder. CELR finally breaking that resistance after a long, long time. Finally. Getting the flip on the 1 hour for a push-up, too. I just want to see CELR break that resistance at 4.7, really 5 cents. Once it gets above there, I look for the retest, and then it's kind of like starting an uptrend. The good thing is, when an uptrend starts, there's so much fun. Like, look how much this uptrend, last uptrend started here on July 29th, and we ran it all the way until September. We had August and September. We had 2 months of a beautiful run-up. Remember, it will be fast when it happens. The rundown's way longer, and the run-up's way faster. Best Elliott Wave impression ever. Thanks, man. That made my day. Love from Canada. Crypto lifer forever. What happened to the one-on-one tutoring classes? You know, my time, I can make $500 an hour. I can make $1,000 an hour, okay? I'm not trying to be rude, but I can. Trading-wise, I can make up to I can easily make $500 in an hour. So I used to charge $200 an hour for one-on-ones. I did it out of the kindness of my heart. My wife begged me not to do it. I said, I'm doing it, okay? She then made them more expensive. I made them for $100. She made them for $200. I then hired a team, and my team sat me down. They're like, listen, man, your time is more valuable. You do so much for the company. Like, you do so much, and like, you teach, you make classes. I make videos. I'm in the trading room. You have no idea. Like, and so with all this going on, the one-on-ones are taking so much of my time that it's getting almost impossible for me to do them. So it's sad to say I did a one-on-one yesterday, and I told the guy, like, this may be one of the last one-on-ones I ever do. And he's like, can I get an extra hour? And he paid for another hour. He paid $400 for 2 hours. He knew every hour, he knew every minute was worth it. He knew it. After the first hour, he's like, can I extend this one more hour, man? And I was like, I usually don't do that, but okay, I don't have much coming on. I was posting charts to the trading group because we were going over stuff. So I was able to post charts to the trading group and get paid $200 an hour. You know what I'm saying? Nair doing damage, and we told you Nair was about to do damage. We went over it numerous times. We talked about it being tight like every day for a long time. Those one-on-ones changed my life. See, look at Calderonster. A lot of people got more than one of them. Whoever did, man, you're one of the luckiest people in the world. You got some great information, like, right off the bat. Look what he said. The one-on-ones changed my life, dude. Like, thank you very much, Calderonster. You're the man for saying that. I'm going to paste that into the testimonials. Thank you, Kevin. Thank you. So sorry, Marty McFly. That's what happened to the one-on-ones, man. They became an extinct animal, you know. Now I'm an admin. Ha ha ha. I got it. Now I'm an admin. My man got one. Now he runs the group with me, right? Johnny Tavares, Chainlink back to the all-time high. It can. There was this one YouTuber that changed life way more than money with no real work behind it. I know because I signed up. I don't know what he's saying. I got to say they were $100, and I invested 10% of my total profit for the year on the one-on-ones. Dow and Bitcoin going in the opposite directions. That's a great thing. I think the decoupling can start today. I really do. Any day it's going to start at one point. And I think we're going to be one of the first channels to call out the decoupling because we're there. Look, down $330 in the Dow, dumping. And look, it's breaking this resistance. It's got to stay in this flag. The Dow really has to stay in the flag. Okay? Bitcoin 3L back up, banging on him at 13. Doing damage. I talked about it last night. This is my trade of trades, you know? Look, just get in here and play it to the upside. Play the daily. Just play the daily and get paid, you know? Back at 40,500, holding. 1 hour is getting overbought, though. It had to do better than this. It had to go all the way up here to 43K and then come back down on the retest. Now it's going to get rejected. Highly likely we're going to come back down again. Like we could be doing something like this. See this? No, I don't know. No, we're out of it. Just look for the retest now and the flag. So here, we hit our rejection point right there, 40,650, 40,500 area. We're going to form a flag here now. Project your flag into the future. Set your alert down here on the stochastics RSI. When that alert hits, it may be ready for another run, but not until then. Stack McChange, same. That one-on-one leveled me up to an admin, Sam. Gave me the vision. Seeing his mind get blown while blowing mine was surreal. I appreciate it too much. Anytime, my friend, anytime. The perfect day to join the Patreon is today. You can pay online with PayPal or email CryptoLifers@gmail to pay with cryptocurrency. And if you get in right now, you're locked in for the month. So you get in on March 23rd, you're in all the way until the 23rd of April. So you're ready to rock, right? There was one YouTuber, yep, blah, blah, blah. And the Patreon is an amazing 24/7 resource, exclusive lifer charts, beginners TA learning library where you can jump in and post your own charts and learn how to do it, right? Traders from around the world, VIP charts and ideas. Join the Patreon today. 3 Common special today as well. Hit the link to jump into that. It's on sale. I highly advise you take advantage of the sale. It's a big deal. I think I need a one-on-one. I'll give, produce the beat. See, that's the thing, man. People that work hard jumping into the one-on-ones. I'm not opposed to the notion of intellectual property, but you are starting to get real. What an asshole, man. Like, what an asshole, right? I'm educating people, bro, with technical analysis. You made me swear, and I never swear, man. But you got under my skin in a way that I never swear. That means you're doing something wrong. You got bad vibes, bro. You got bad vibes, my friend. Daddy Suki, yo, you gone, man. You gone. I'm never speaking to you again. You got negative energy. I know when someone is jealous of me and nasty to me, and you're a nasty, negative person. You're a frenemy, and I don't want frenemies in my life. You're gone, man. Get out of here. I'm telling you right now, I'm able to, because I had a friend that was nice to me for years, but he was always behind the scenes playing with me, messing with me. And he liked me, but he was like somewhat just enamored with me. Like, he didn't really like me. He was just always trying to put me down when he could, you know? And, yeah, like, what a weird dude, man. What a weird dude, right? Yeah, only good vibes. Sorry. Escort him to the back alley. Shout out to Bobby Franklin. That's the thing. Does he know what he's doing, too? They are the worst. ATS. Let's take a look at ATS on Huobi. I don't really trade Huobi, so that's why I don't know ATS at all. Let's take a look at what the coin is, though. Wow, today's the first day we didn't do like a deep dive on CoinMarketCap. These hands just ain't for TA. Jealousy is poison. Nobody messes with the lifers. Shout out to Ace PR, man. Thank you for coming on in. Yeah, we just get rid of the negativity immediately. Immediately. They can go be negative on in their own zone. Let's breathe. May God bless that person. May God put that person in a better light. May God help that man for being so whack and negative. May God breathe positivity into him. May he not act like that again. Amen. Ooh, I hear a little baby. And ooh, my wife, come on in, Crypto Wifer. You look sexy. You look beautiful. No? Why? Come on, Crypto Wifer. Just jump, do a flash crash. Just like throw your hair in and jump out. No, come on. Ah, come on. Can't have good without the bad. Shout out to Greg Nowak, my peoples. Whack and negative, LOL. If you email CryptoLifers@gmail and pay with crypto, they will set you up with the Patreon. Just let them know what you would like to do. Hope that helps. Yeah, email Crypto Lifers and jump on into the trading group. We got you. I'm sad you ain't doing those one-on-ones no more. Only managed to get one with you, but my mom was blown, and now I'm forever grateful. Wow, like, babe, see what you did? You're hurting people, babe. It's the CEO. It's the CEO. She's doing it to us. Get in here. We want you here. Everyone wants you on camera right now. We want to know why you're not allowing the one-on-ones. We want you here right now, front and center. You're going to answer to the group. They want to know. They're going to answer to you. Get in here. Yeah, people want to know what's going on. Like, they want to know what's up.
Hi, everyone. Haha, yes, throw your hair and run. Great. He will...
Isn't she sexy, though?
He will definitely... Oh, my God.
No, I'm just joking. I won't do it again. No, I won't do it again. I won't do it again. Oh, we had her, man. I had to be... Oh, man. Babe. What? Yeah. Oh my God, this is too much for me. This is great. Like, this is what people want. This is what the people need every day, babe. They need more of you in their life. You are so sweet, sexy, and beautiful. Oh my God, I love my wife. She's such a little bundle of joy. Ooh, just want to grab her up right now. IB Business L2 Mel G ruined it, Sam. You messed up, homie. You're in trouble. Coach, tonight you killed it. Oh, man. Almost had an answer squashed mid-sentence. Oh, this is just amazing. Love you, bro. It's the same way with my lady, Produce the Games, man. Hey, if you have a good relationship with your lady, then you got a good thing going, man. Bro, you're going to have a long day. Nah. When you're the crypto lifer and you bring home the big bucks, the wife loves you. Trust me, man. She ain't got nothing to worry about because she's with the man. She ain't got nothing to worry about. She knows she's with the man. She knows. She knows she get whatever she want, baby. And she don't even want anything. That's what's beautiful. She get whatever she wants. She don't even want nothing. That's what's so beautiful about my wife. Most special woman in the world. I got so blessed when I met her. Don't make me cry. I'm so lucky. I'm so lucky, man. She runs this whole company. Like, without her, like, this thing would collapse. Like, you guys wouldn't get your links. Like, nothing. I'm telling you right now. I'm in those trading groups and I'm in the charts, and that's me, you know? And I can be obsessive in those charts, but couch time coming. The girls in Miami, they want to do nothing and take everything. Exactly. About to make another lifer. About to go make another lifer. You funny, man. Happy wife, mediocre life is never enough. There's always a strong woman behind every man. Oh, man. You're making a basketball team over there with all those kids, Sam. The girls, you're funny, man. I know, that's what's going on here. I think my wife still has the first buck I ever made. Yo, you funny, man. Finbook is getting like that. Every week I notice a couple lifers getting better and giving great info. I've seen that from my guys. They take their girl around the world and amulet, man. Crypto wifer, funny. Bless you both. Without I wouldn't be alive. But without I wouldn't be alive. Yeah, for sure. You know? For sure. Divorce night. No, don't even say that. No. No projections. Like Luna, my break upward big from resistance. Am I right? Angela Hope. Take a look at Luna in a second. So ATS seems like it could keep going. There's your measured move to 59. It's at 32. It has room on the daily. All right. Has a little room on the 4-hour. Is breaking out too. So just look for the retest now of support and resistance lines. You know, mark your support and resistance. Look for it to bounce here or here. Not my favorite coin. I don't know much about it. I'll have to deep dive it on another time. Let's see what it is. What is it? I don't want to not know what it is. ATS here. Atlas Dex. Oh, Star Atlas has a Dex? That's actually interesting. If that's Star Atlas Dex, then it's a bigger deal than I thought. Atlas is pioneering the world of DeFi with a suite of innovations. No, just Atlas. Okay, it had nothing to do with Star Atlas. We built a cross-chain liquidity aggregator connecting major blockchains. Our key supporters, Solidity, that's Phantom. Phantom's going to have a big play in all this, just so you know. Wormhole, Chainlink. Chainlink's big too, and that's why you want Chainlink. Atom as well. You need coins that interoperable. When you close your eyes, can you see how the crypto space is created and made? Do you understand how it got put together? Do you know what coins help other coins do what they need to do? Do you see the space in its entirety? These are important things because these are going to help you invest if you can understand what's happening in the space. And we called another breakout to the upside today on the channel. We started 2 hours ago. We were down here. We pumped up to the upside. I'm giving you your next flag on the 1 hour. I'm showing you the next trade before it even happens. We're projecting it into the future. If you like what we're doing here, then jump on into my trading group. Group is exploding. People are doing the damn thing. Everyone's working really hard. We have so many awesome people in the group, really connecting, really moving, and really changing lives. So appreciate each and every one of you for jumping on in. I'm going to go through every coin on KuCoin for the next few hours and give you guys some amazing ideas and some teaching setups that are going to be really, really good for great examples and to show you what I'm looking at in the charts. I love you all. My husband wakes up every day and asks me, are we rich yet? Or do I have to go to work? LOL. Matt Stevens' goal was always 400 a day or 40 pips a day. My goal was 400 a day or 40 pips a day. Like Johnny said, she's going to be bearish today. Produce the gains. As more people sign up and get even close to your level, I think things are going to change. Standards will increase. Well, we will see. Oh yeah. The lifer will make 500 a day within 4 years. This lifer will make 500 a day within 4 years. That's my stay-at-home 4-year plan. You're going to get there, Matt. If you put it out there, you're going to achieve it. If you put it out there, you will achieve it. Okay? You will achieve it. Unbelievable. What a great day to be alive. Unreal. I'm so excited. I'm so excited to be here. Bitcoin dominance. Dump to the downside for us. That's great for the altcoins, but double bottoming here now. Double bottoming. Watch your alts. I think Bitcoin's about to do something unreal. I never say I think, but the chart conveys the feeling, the sentiment, everything around right now conveys that Bitcoin's about to do something huge. Really, really big. It's consolidated for a long time. Usually when it does that, a big move is coming for Bitcoin. Let's take a look at the Fear and Greed Index before I jump on out of here for the day. The Crypto Fear and Greed Index. And it's at 31. That's a sweet spot. I like to get in at 9 and 10. And again, did you take advantage of the fear like we did? Bitcoin 100K tonight. We're in a great time right now. Yes, I feel it too, man. Gala wants to break out. Kadena moving, my baby. My husband, man, I love you all. Everyone, thank you so much for being here. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications. You can find out when I post my next video. Remember, if you came to the channel, then you're already doing the right thing. Thank you for everything. No words can express my true gratitude to each and every one of you. Thank you for sharing your most precious asset with me, and that is your time. Today is the day we help each other elevate into peace and light. Big up, like I love that. Rise of the Crypto Walker. I love that you said that. Today is the day we elevate to peace and light. Positivity will win. Love is the strongest frequency in the world. At the end of every live stream, I say 1, 2, 3, crypto is life. We're going to say it together right now, and then I'm going to disappear from the screen. So everyone, thank you for being here. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications. You can find out when I post my next video. Remember, if you came to the channel, you're already doing the right thing. 1, 2, 3. Crypto is life. I'll see you on the next live stream. And tonight is the weekly screen share. If you get into my trading group today, you'll get an extra 2.5 hours with me. If you think it's worth it, I think it will be. Jump on in there. I'll see you there. Crypto is life. I love you all. I love you all from the deepest place of my heart. Peace out. Just ask a quick question. Can I avoid being double charged? What we do, if you join right now, we throw you in the beginner's course for that 99 that you join. So basically you get the beginner's course for 99 and then you join on the 1st of April. So you actually get a week free in the group and the beginner's course. So if you join right now and you want to pay with your credit card with Patreon, what my wife does is she reaches out to everybody. Right now, she's going to notice and she's going to say, hey, we know you're going to get double charged. We know that creates an issue for you. We're going to give you into the beginner's course. So if you want, jump into the beginner's course. How to pay in crypto, email cryptolifers@gmail right now. $270 for 3 months. $270 for 3 months. Jump on in. $900 for the year. Today is a deal. $900 for the year we're doing. $900 for the year. So jump on in if you want to pay in cryptocurrency. There you go. So that's how we do it. If you get double charged, we put you in the beginner's course for that $99, and you get that. You get that. And honestly, then you get it. It's really worth it. So, okay, crypto is life. Crypto is life now.